Bodega Boys.
All right, just welcome to the WAP calling. When I call your name, just proceed to the green room that has your name on it. Rosalina, you can go right there to the left. Yes.
Shit's about to be lit, y'all. I'm about to be up in this bitch.
Megan Thee Stallion, how you doing? Over there to the left. Right there.
Yo, what's up? What's good, y'all?
Please don't talk to the entertainment. We're social distancing. Also, could you please put a mask on? Thank you.
Excuse me?
Okay, next up, Kylie. Hi, how are you doing? Okay.
Yo, Kylie, what's good? How's Stormy? Yo, bring her for a play day for my daughter's daughter.
Okay, ma'am. Again, 6 feet.
Excuse me?
6 feet. I need you to step back 6 feet. Okay. Next. Okay.
Nigga, do you know who the fuck
Mulatto?
I am?
Okay, come over here. Thank you for coming through. Oh my God, you're so nice. Thank you.
Yo, Lotto, what's good, yo? Yo, you remember me from the wedge, bitch? What's good? Yo, you act like you don't know a bitch. What's poppin' though? How you doing?
You know what? Can I help you? How can I help you? Because this is a private shoot. What are you doing here?
Excuse me, my nigga, you stupid? Like, I'm here to do the video. Like, I'm in the WAP video. Like, I got wet ass pussy. Like, you don't know about my OnlyFans? Like,
and your name is what?
Yesenia.
Okay.
With a J, like Yesenia. Okay, like not even with a Y because I'm exotic.
Yeah. I don't even have to flip through these pages to know that name is not there. So.
No. Well, I think you should because it might be under Yesenia the body.
Okay. First of all, ma'am, you notice
the body.
Every woman here has 3 bracelets on because they did extensive COVID tested 2 days before they were living in a bubble. I saw you get off the BX43 before you stepped on this block. All right, get out of here before I call security.
And let me tell you something. I'm the baddest bitch in the Bodega Bulls universe, and look at the location of my belly button, nigga. I have had extensive work done in the Dominican Republic. Don't try to fucking play me. Okay, I belong up in here. I got that WAP all day. You know what I'm saying?
Excuse me, security.
I got 14 grandkids.
You
know what I'm saying?
We have a fake Stephanie.
Yo, don't fucking touch me. Yo, get off me. Yo, this motherfucker talking about 6 feet. Yo, no me toque. Yo, get the fuck out of here. Yo, let me tell you something. Try to keep me off this set. Yo, I'm coming back, bro.
You coming back?
Yeah. I know this little dope-feet white boy. He got like a little 22. He's gonna come back and shoot this whole shit up. Fuck y'all.
Okay, all right.
I'm gonna call it right now.
Like okay.
Yeah. Stupid. You know what? Matter of fact, fuck this. Yo, Michael, come out here. Yo, come out the car. Yo, what's up, babe? What's going on? What do you need me to do?
Who's this guy?
I'm fucking Michael Anthony, bro. I'm like a director. It's like, like I'm like little X, like, but I just want a little X or a little H if you got it,
So what am I supposed to do with this guy?
Just like, yo, bro, just shut up, bro. Just like, oh, yo, matter of fact, hold this phone. I'm gonna set up the shot. All right, so like you're sending boom, like this is episode 214 of the podcast, right? So like you just
wait a minute, hold on.
The world's more dangerous podcast. Yeah.
Are you Michael Anthony? The Michael Anthony?
Yeah, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like I got hot bags, bro. Like Julio's my guy.
Hold on 1 second.
Yeah.
Wait, hello. Yeah, Michael Anthony's out here. The Michael Anthony?
Yeah, what's up, bro?
Yeah, bring him in. Yeah, Michael, come right this way.
What's up?
She can't come with you.
Yeah, no, and that's all right. It's all good. Yeah.
Oh my God, we have so many shots.
Yeah, I just listen, bro.
We're dying to work with you. Oh my God. I was talking to Judd Apatow the other day. You are the hottest thing in Hollywood right now. Let's go. Listen, we got big lines on your table right there. It's a great day, bro.
Oh man, bro.
You're one-man Safdie brothers. Let's go.
Mom, I'm in the video for fucking white ass Percocet.
Oh my God, Michael Anthony. I knew you come through one day. Oh my God. All right, man. 2020, motherfucker. Bye. Oh my God, my Michael Anthony got it done. Oh, so sweet.
Wow, you think you know, motherfucker. Wow, that's why you never got no pussy, stupid. I only jerked you off in that Uber one time. Yo, this is fucking episode 24. You know what I'm saying? So like
214.
It's 214 actually. You know what I'm saying? Motherfucker. Let me tell you something. This is Bodega Boys episode 214, the most dangerous podcast in the world. I'm just saying they're the most dangerous bitch in the world, and these motherfuckers are about to find out because I'm about to come back with a big ass Draco, okay? And then no blueberry Faygo. Do the fucking drop, stupid.
You're listening to The Audio Art, the most dangerous podcast in the universe. Do the drop.
Like a multi-young.
Yo! Most dangerous podcast in the world.
Yeah.
The most halal podcast. The only podcast that Dr. Fauci really fucks with. And I can say that because he texted me yesterday and he was like, yo, my nigga, keep that shit. Y'all keep banging. Keep banging on them niggas. Also, he tried to buy a gun off of me because like he's been getting death threats and he don't play that shit. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, nah, he don't. He's like,
He said-
give me the one with the duct tape. I like
He
that.
said for me and Miro to let y'all be claro, Dr. Fauci is not pussy.
He's a
okay?
shooter. He's a shooter.
All right,
You know
he
what I'm
been
saying?
through. He ain't new to this. He do. You know what I'm saying?
Yo.
He got. In theory, Dr. Fauci could get shot and sew it up himself. He's the doctor
Facts.
from John Wick. You want that?
You don't want those. You don't want that smoke.
You don't want that smoke?
You know what I'm saying?
Okay?
He's part of the Colombo family.
Exactly, bro.
I'm saying?
Exactly. He was stitching up wounds in SD, bro. Yo, as always, the most dangerous podcast in the world, Bodega Boys,
That's
coming to
right.
you live from the top of the Empire State Building.
Yo, wow.
CBS FM, New York. Up next, we got songs that are going to make your racist grandma smile, and you're going to ask why. Why is she smiling? Grandma, when did you hear this song? She's like, oh God, I love this song.
Just an all-white lunch counter.
Oh yeah. Oh, this reminds me of Woolworth. Oh my God. Ask your father. You know, ask him about the chain he wears and why that air is on it. And you're like, oh no.
Oh no! Goddamn!
As always, sponsored by Cash App. The app that
Yo.
cashes you back. Cash App.
Yep.
That's not
Cash
their.
App.
That's not their saying.
But they do cash you back though.
That's right.
If you send
And
niggas up.
shout out to Cash App. We have a special promotion this week. If you send any woman money and
Yep.
use the hashtag WAP in honor of wet ass pussy,
Yep.
nothing happens.
Nothing happens at all.
Nothing happens.
Nothing
So
at all happens.
Please do that. There's not even an icon for it. You just lose money.
Nah. Just send
Yeah.
us some money. But
Yeah,
you know what? Do it.
You know what? Also, if you're a woman and you know someone listens to Bodega Boys and they haven't texted you and hit you up with a WAP thing, they're saying something about your box,
Yeah.
mom. They're saying you got dry box.
Yeah.
Wow.
There's no liquid in the
Dry box.
labia. There's no liquid in the
Listen,
labia.
You
Nah,
you pop
it's
the
not
hood,
working.
you're like, oh, that's the problem here.
Yeah, there's no lubricant.
What the hell, bro?
What's going on
Come
here?
look at this.
Come on, look at this, guys. It's the oil line's all fucked up.
This broad's been out here getting DAC, and she's had the check engine light on for like 4
on.
cockseconds. Oh my
What
God.
are you doing? God, we gotta pump her full of some full synthetic.
You know what? Put her on the jack. It's gonna take all day, bro. Oh God. You know what, Miro? We're gonna have to do a montage. Put on some Public Enemy. We'll fix it in post. No. Shout out to all my women out there with dry boxes. All boxes matter.
All boxes matter.
All boxes matter. You know, dry box, wet box. Has no one? We need to make a reggae
Dry box?
No, we don't. Boney Goats has a song because. You know, Megan and Cardi are appreciating all the wet ass pussies, but what about the average ass pussies?
Yeah.
That's our song.
Average ass pussy.
1, 2, 3, go.
3, 4. Average ass pussy. Average pussy. I wanna see your average pussy. Yeah.
Have you ever had some average puss? And if I did, I gush. It was so dry and it hurt. I had to put in work. It's like, okay, this is we're brain shopping some stuff. We're brain shopping some stuff.
Yikes. Like the chafing anthem of the millennium, y'all. Like, yo.
This is just some dry pussy. You don't want to hear that song while you're going in there.
Not at
Like,
all.
yo.
Yeah, I've been there, dog. That's terrible. The worst is being young and smashing like OD. Like yo, I'm 21. Shorty's here for the week. Yo, we're gonna smash all the time. Yeah. And by day 2, your dick feels like you've been literally
just hurts.
slapping it with a ruler
It just hurts.
nonstop
It's
for
sore.
6 hours straight. Yeah, it's
tender.
raw.
You can't
Water,
sleep
soap
on it.
hits it. Yeah, soap hits it, and
Yeah.
you're like, ah, like, ugh.
It's no longer connecting to the Bluetooth that is your mind.
Nah, not
You
at
know what I'm
all.
saying?
You gotta
It's doing its- you trying to pee, it's peeing in a different dimension. It's different, bro.
yeah, you gotta unplug it and then plug it in after 30 seconds. See if you get a
You
signal.
trying to pee straight, it's flanking. Like, no, what are you
Yeah,
doing?
No,
Come on,
what
bro.
do you stop?
Bro,
That's not even what I said.
bro,
I pinged the
friendly
toilet.
fire. What the fuck? Come on. Come on. Someone kick this SOB. It's like the big Call of Duty voice comes over. Get that blue Falcon out of here.
Get her out of here.
Like, oh shit. I'm sorry. It's all that I can say. So your man, shout out to I was going to say Dr. Trump, which would be pretty impressive if he just one
Yo.
day was like, "Yo, call me Dr. Trump." Like,
People would do it.
He should go full dictator. Go full dictator and be like, What if he started dressing like Michael Jackson and be like, I'd appreciate
high
that more.
waters.
Yeah.
And if he did
Crocs.
like Chris Christie style and was just like, yo, you know what? I'm not even gonna try to hide the fupa. I'm not gonna get the wild. I'm gonna just rock it and just let it rock out.
Imagine Trump just comes out with the fucking silk shirt, not buttoned.
Yo, Rick Ross style, like with the titties out, like yo, what's popping? Oh,
what's up?
Amazing.
What's up? MAGA. MMG, MAGA. MAGA music. Trump 2020, motherfucker. Like, I hate that drop. Oh, shit.
Knocking down on a goddamn mic. Shit.
Knocking down those mics. That's right, because we got wet-ass mics.
Wet-ass mics.
Wet-ass mics, yo. Wet ass is not always a good thing.
Nah, not at all. Wet ass is mud butt.
Like, that's mud butt, yeah.
Let's keep it real. There's no. I mean, I don't know. Like, is there a natural lubricant that comes out of your butt? Like pre-cum
if you eat Chipotle, yeah. You get some natural lubricant, bro.
That shortening comes back real fast.
Comes right back, bro. No, but like you can't be calling like some things are not good if you can't use the adjective wet ass. It's like what if you get pizza and it's like wet ass pizza? You don't want wet ass pizza. You know, like that's the pizza. You know when you get the pizza in the box and you're carrying it, and then the condensation on the roof of the box drips back down. Now you got wet ass. You want wet ass pizza? Huh?
The crust is just soggy and shit.
Yeah. You can't microwave it because it's wet, and then you can't really put it in the oven because it's like kind of wet, and that's gonna be too hot. Listen, you don't want that.
So, but the edges are gonna be burnt, and then the middle's gonna be sopping wet, and you're gonna be like disgusted the whole time. Like,
and then you like, yo, I gotta eat it because you got pizza.
I pay for the shit, and it's pizza. I gotta eat it.
You know how bad pizza gotta be for you to throw it away?
Fam, it has to have visible mold.
Yeah, on it. Gotta be.
Otherwise, I'm throwing this shit right. It could be mold that looks like sausage. I'm throwing this shit in the oven.
Oven kill like any mold. If you're from the hood, you know ovens kill all molds, and all molds can be cut off food, and it's good. So
and it's good money. Yeah, even if it's like a little smidgen, that's just penicillin. You're good.
Yeah, there you go.
You know what I'm saying?
Penicillin.
You helping you as a probiotic. Niggas invented probiotics in the hood eating bad food.
We mad early. That's before Activia, all right?
Yeah, that's right. Jamie Lee Curtis eat a dick.
All right?
Actually, no, chill. I'll take it back.
Activia.
Damn, that's next Halloween movie.
There's no other. Is there any other yogurt that comes off the top of your head like that? Like Activia's right there. Like,
fam, yo, when they get jingles, bro, when the jingle hits, the jingle hits. Like
that was a popular song in the '90s. Like when the jingle hits,
the jingle hits, yeah.
Turn the jingle around. Make me make that ad sale sound. You're like, what?
Oh, yeah. Like what?
Niggas getting mad. Niggas getting skied off ketamine and Twilo. Like, bro, I love.
I'm like, yo,
bro,
run program.exe. I don't understand this.
Bro,
what's going on?
Bro, I love these jingles, bro.
Twilo's awesome, bro. I love it.
We need to open a nightclub that only plays jingles.
Yo,
yeah,
call it jingles.
Wow, ooh. I was not on that level yet, but you might have something there. You might have something there. Sadly, Victor's no longer in the Zoom window, so it's going to end badly. We're going to put way too much money into jingles.
Go right now. Let's get it.
Bro. Hear me out. Let's open it on the top floor of the Empire State Building. How much can the rent be?
Amazing, bro. Come on.
Be amazing, bro. Every night we're going to have like a DJ, like a 7-figure DJ. Like,
bro, it's going to be
off the ad
It's going to pay for itself.
Bro, and we'll just buy Google ads.
Yeah. That's it. That'll be great.
Come on. Great, bro.
We just go on IG Live every night.
Bro, and think about it. New Yorkers would love to party with tourists. Of course. It's going to be great. Come on.
This man, fat Germans standing around with fanny packs. Like, shuffling. Like, yo, like, every day I'm shuffling. Like, yo,
There's mad foreigners, and they're just holding up mad watches and Versace that they bought because their currency is stronger than ours.
Yo.
They're not even paying in them. They're paying in euros and shit, and they're like, what? What? And I'm just like, thank you.
Yo, appreciate you. Thank you. Thank you for this weird E thing.
And then like 4 days later, we're talking to Victor, and Victor's like, so you opened a bar that catered to tourists when no one's allowed to come into this country, and Americans are not allowed to leave this country because of travel bans. And then also nightclubs are not allowed to be open because of COVID, and you can't even be inside. So basically, you guys just
Yeah. Also, I forgot to mention this little clause right here where you just signed your IP over to the management company that runs the Empire State Building.
Yeah, about that.
What about
okay.
that? What are you guys gonna do about that?
But on the flip side, we got these cool shirts. So jingle, jingle.
Yo, think about it now that we evicted and the restaurant don't exist no more. These are wild limited.
Exactly. Let's go.
All right. Resale market. Let's get it.
Let's go to 34th Street. Sell these out the back of a suitcase, bro. Sad ideas.
Yo.
As always, check out Showtime's Jesus and Mero. You know,
Number
out there
one show,
still.
late night.
It's showtime.
No one Rob show in late night. The Lucci Boys.
You know what I'm
But
saying?
you know what? Like someone said, we do not need to
We don't need the old guards of validation.
exactly.
You know what I'm saying?
We do
We
not
have the new
need.
blood.
We do not need validation from hetero patriarchy and cis males that sit in ivory towers that are denigrating the. I don't know. Fuck them. But you know what? The show's still popping. And also be sure to check out bodegahive.com because we got the virtual tour coming. And people been asking for more information about the virtual tour. It's really not that difficult. If you go in the Bodega Boys Reddit, there is an instruction on how to buy a 3D printer. You have to 3D print a copy of me and a copy of Miro, and then you have to sync them to the OBS stream we're going to post via our RSS feed on the website. And you're going to have to use UU encode in order to get it into binary, and then use the atomic clock so that you're using GMT time and not the other time zone.
You
so it all
need
links
to
up.
make sure it's GMT time.
It sounds like a lot, but you know what? It's very simple. Probably take you like 5 minutes. Super simple.
Super
Don't worry.
simple. It's also we're cross-platforming with Real Doll too. So if you have a Real Doll, you could just use a Real Doll as both of us for a really good time.
Whoa, you
You know what I'm saying?
Hey, oh my god, that was
Yeah, we're virtually selling choach. Our own choaches.
wow, that could be something. Ooh, virtual choach. That was a
package,
Jamiroquai song.
You get to smash both of us.
Wow. I'm just sitting here looking at my Zoom window like, what the? Wow. It's like, Jesus Nice has just tried to leave the meeting, but you can't. I'm like,
You're trapped.
I'm like, how can the camera see inside of you like that? That's weird.
It's just like, man, fire and brimstone in my brain.
Like,
Yo,
die for the hive.
Die for the hive.
I'm like, no, I don't want to. I don't want to. I like my life. I like my life.
I live my life.
I love my wife. I'm like, wow. Oh man.
Yeah.
So the Yankees, they had a double hitter today, and both games ended before 6:00, and I was like, what the fuck was that?
What is going on here?
They're flying by so fast, and 25% of the baseball season is done. That's how fast this is moving.
That's right.
Yankees is coming.
We're 10-5.
28 rings, baby.
10-5.
28 rings.
Lost a couple games in a row. I hear a lot of chatter. People being mad at Judge. People being mad at Sanchez. People being mad at Gleyber Torres. Talking about trade Gleyber Torres. Yo, that's blasphemous, dog.
How can you even do trades during Corona?
Yo, maybe these guys aren't playing that great because they're playing in a fucking pandemic.
Right? Like, who's like,
Yo.
yo, trade this. Hey, this guy's not with his family. Trade him. Like,
Yeah, fair. This guy's sad because he hasn't seen his wife in 20 fucking weeks. Fuck him. Trade his ass. He's not hitting homers.
It's sad. It was like that tweet I did about the Friday Night Knicks song. I was like, damn, it's been so long since like a Friday, and you know that game started at 7. You heating up your little hot wings
Yes, sir.
or your little tater tots, and you turn it off the thing, and you get more amped for the song than you do for the actual game.
Yo.
I gotta get there fast as I can.
I'm like,
We're talking
yes,
Friday Night
yes,
Knicks. You're like, yeah, this is it.
Oh, God, oh, this.
You got to be there.
That little riff at the end just gets me every time.
That's beautiful.
I'm like,
That's-
yo, damn. It's
We
like
need
the
to
Seinfeld shit. Like
We need to record like a acoustic version of that, like a very Bon
Don't sing that
Iver.
out loud because James Dolan probably got one in the vault. Don't say that
We
shit
need
out loud.
that. It's just James Dolan with a guitar, so it's just the single spotlight on stage.
Friday night, Knicks at MSG. Got front row seats. Yeah, I'm gonna vape there. Yeah.
I was like, God damn, he got pipes.
Don't mind taking the bus. Don't mind taking the train.
Oh no.
Don't mind wearing walking shoes or running through the rain.
That's right.
Knicks on Friday night. MSG's the place to be. Whatever it takes to make it there, I do it all again. Hey, I gotta get there fast as I can. I gotta get there. Friday night Knicks, I'm a fan. He was like, wow. Wow.
Okay.
Yo, Garth Brooks killed that shit.
Yo, shit.
God damn.
Like, yo, James Dolan pops out there. Like, yo, that was me.
That was me. I was like, boo.
That was me, yo.
Boo. That's what James Dolan got to do. James Dolan got to like lie and say Travis Scott or someone that's performing.
Yo.
And then James Dolan performs as Travis Scott. And at the end, like he takes off the mask. He's like, straight up. You're like,
It's lit.
like, what? You're like, what?
Yo, he's like, I would have had you kids fooled if it wasn't
Yeah.
for these two bumbling bodega boys.
He's like, oh, did you like that? Would you guys enjoy Astroworld? Did you like that? And then voice goes normal. Did you like that? Hi, it's me, James Dolan. Ho, 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 ho. Oh, wow.
Yo, did you peep Shaq talking spicy about the Knicks? I mean, not talking spicy.
What do you say?
Talking facts, but like as a Knicks fan, facts are spicy.
What do
He
you
was
think?
like, yo, they were like, they asked him like straight up, like, yo, you think the Knicks are gonna win a championship like in the
Ever?
next like 50? Like, I think it was literally ever. And he was
Yeah.
like, no,
No.
never. It's never gonna happen. I was like, wow. Like he wasn't even joking. He was dead ass straight face. Like, no. They're
Bro,
never
we've
gonna win a
been,
championship.
you and I, we've been around
Okay.
athletes. Let me tell you something. It's a lot dire than you guys think. Like, listen, this is why, like, I'm still a Knicks fan. I still rock the gear. I still go to the games.
Yo.
But I'm realistic. I am very realistic. And let me tell you,
Yo.
and all this stuff about, oh, Tibbs, and oh my God, Tibbs needs this, and this. And that's where it stops. That's where it stops. Because everyone is like, oh, all the Knicks got to do is get this.
Yeah, all they gotta do
no.
is. There's
Yeah.
a lot of variables there, my
It's very
guy.
similar to the fact, like, all Miro needs to do is get a Lamborghini.
Yeah.
Miro wants a Lamborghini.
Yeah,
a
well,
Lamborghini.
yeah.
Okay.
Real bad.
You know, are there things that are stopping Miro from getting a Lamborghini?
Yes.
Are there
Mortgage
things stopping
payments?
us? Are there things stopping all of us from getting Lamborghinis? Yes.
Common
So,
sense.
okay.
Bills, utilities.
The same way. And it is also, and it's different here because that is just like, oh, it's a Lamborghini. Like a Lamborghini is not going to be like, I don't want to go to Miro's house. But if you're talking about a person going to be like, maybe I don't want to go to, a place that's wild, is always in the news for problems with the coach and the management. And I don't know, they threw out their favorite fan, their most recognized. Like, would you go work at an organization that's doing shit like that? Like,
Yo.
bro,
listen.
think about it.
Yo,
Think
man.
about it. You know?
Motherfucker, they need a sit. Yo, whoever is doing Cardi B's like PR and rollouts, yo, Knicks, hire them, please, like right now.
You know,
like,
but the problem
you
is-
and Chris Brown and like every problematic person's publicist, yo, y'all need to like join forces like Captain Planet and save the Knicks. And I don't even
Yo,
think
shout
you
out
can do it.
to Steve Stout and all those people that are working on it. But the problem is, again, it's not them. It's not them. Okay, it is not them. They have great
the head
plans.
of the snake.
They got great. They got a vision for the future. They know how to market the shit. It's not them. It's not them. It's like a relationship. Sometimes it's not you. It's the other person. And you know what? It's sad. And we only bring that up because we've decided that we are creating our own basketball team for New York.
That's right.
The name of our team is the New York the New York Metro Cards.
Yeah.
Nah, that sucks.
No, the Swipes.
The Swipes.
Swipes.
The Swipes.
The
Is that
locals?
racist?
Swipes? Oh yeah, damn.
I don't know.
That sounds racist.
It sounds racist, right?
I did not think of it as racist at all, but when you asked it, I was just
Listen,
like,
we're starting a brand new team from scratch. We can't just start with. Listen, we have to learn from the Redskins and
Yo,
the Indians of that.
the
We
Indians
can't
and the-
start
yeah.
with a racist team. So, because think about it, if you're like, oh, Get these fucking swipes out of here.
Outta
You're like,
here.
whoa,
Like,
whoa,
yo, whoa.
Wait a minute. Whoa, you fucking swipe. Okay, what about
This is the New York mix.
No, that's a racist name.
Oh shit!
What about-
That's a slur too. Goddamn.
We could it should be something
I didn't
that New
even know
York is
that.
known
Oh,
for. How about the New York Sabaros?
There you go.
The New York Sabaros. And all you guys are like, yo, that's a stupid name. Wait till we make these fucking Sabaro basketball jerseys.
Ooh, y'all gonna be super hype.
Ooh, you're gonna be
Everybody in
sick.
Morris Park is gonna have one.
Yeah, bro, is that limited edition, bro?
Italia, bro.
Bro.
Viva Italia, bro.
Bro, it's not Virgil, but it's pro white. I'm like, what?
What?
It just says MAGA in quotes. Like, wait a minute. Hey, that's not right.
Shit's is fucking sold out in Staten Island.
Right away, bro. Sold out in 1 minute.
It's like a
One
Supreme
minute.
drop. Niggas around the corner like, yo,
I need that. I
I'm
need
ready.
that,
I'm
bro.
ready.
Papa John does a TikTok with it on before it even releases as the flex. Like, yo. That said, we're also dropping a special limited edition pair of because we shout out to Nike fucking with the SB Dunks. We're working on our own Sabaros SB Dunks.
That's
in
right.
the tradition of Ben and Jerry and was it Grateful Dead? So now the Sabaros
Boom.
Dunks
Get
is
ready
coming
for
soon.
these. Yeah, the methadone slice ones.
Okay, my man, the mayor said these are the most fire dunks he has ever seen someone shoot heroin in below street level in a Port Authority while
There you
we're
go.
So there you go. Don't give it to that. Don't go. We're only releasing 100 pairs, and they're not available in stores. You have to. The only way you can get them, you have to go near someone who has a dope fiend that's leaning.
Yep.
And you have to ask them. They'll tell you. They'll tell you where to. Poppy,
It's
your
like
poppy.
Zelda. You
Yeah.
gotta wake them up. you
quest.
you like press A to wake up, fiend. B to talk. You're like, yo,
Thank
I
you
am
for
on a
wait-
quest.
Thank you for waking me, Poppy. The shoes you want are this way. Take this. It's dangerous. You're like, oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. You gave me a plantain. You gave me a plantain. Yo.
Yo, Plankton, you have acquired Plankton and wooden syringe.
Just walking up Fordham Road. You know what? I'm going to stop in the store to see if there's any weapons in here. You just go into White Castle. Like,
Yo, you found a gun in the bathroom?
you hold it in the air like, like yo, congrats. Link has found a burner. Like, yo. Oh. Do-do-do-do-do.
You check the inventory and shit, it's like bodies, too. And you're like,
Like,
yo,
yo. Hey,
only 2 bodies? Yo, it's amazing.
basically new, bro. Oh.
Oh, shit.
The legend of Fordham Road, man.
Oh,
Legend
man.
of Fordham Road.
You love to see it.
Yo, you said your kid broke the TV?
Yo, bro, I was so like I was mad, but then I was just like I seen like as a dad, yo, it's like it feels mad good to know that your kids are like scared to death of you in a way. That sounds horrible, but like
Speak on it.
it sounds horrible. But if you're dad, you know what I'm saying. It doesn't come from a place of malice. It comes from a place of like the Fat Joe. Like I'd rather be feared than loved because the fear lasts longer. So I'm like,
Yeah.
yo. Yo, if you hear my steps coming down the stairs, like goof, 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 like the T-Rex in Jurassic Park,
Yeah.
tighten
So
up.
wait, he's never shown that, he's never been scared of you like that before?
Like, nah, because we're talking about Mero the Fourth, which is like he's like the ox, like he's the
Wait,
Aki. That's Amari.
Oh, yeah.
He's the one with
I don't
the
have
mission
kids, so I'm doing the math. I'm like, wait, hold up, you got 4 boys? What the fuck? I'm like, what this nigga having secret babies? I'm in
Yo.
the chat like, when do you have another baby?
Yo.
Please update the Wikipedia, die.
Yo, I go on SoundCloud and shit. It's like Mises Night. So like, yo, you are having a child. I'm like, oh, wow.
We trying to do the Zoom. I'm like, what's you upset about the diss track? That wasn't even me.
Nah,
Like,
man, I'm not upset, man. It's more like, when you have so much respect for somebody and they just take it to a place where it's like, I still got love, because like I don't carry hate in my heart, like I'm a good guy, so like, but yeah, just lines
you just see it in a
across, man.
barbershop. LeBron's like, I was disappointed in you. You know, you're my son. He's like, you know, I study hip hop. I study hip hop battles as a historian.
So yeah, I'm a historian.
Like, what? You study hip hop battles? But yeah, back to your kid.
What?
So
yo, the motherfuckers. This is what happens, and all you motherfuckers. Shout out to Damian Woody. Had this discussion with him on Twitter about the kids quarantining and shit like that, not going outside too much. Cause yo, my kids were hooping before. Like, Meryl 3 was hooping. Fucking Meryl Jr. was out here on some STEM shit, fucking with computers, like super hype about it. He's still on that, cause that's like pretty much the only thing you could do during quarantine.
right.
And the other one was just like, yo, I want to play football at like the age of 3. Like, yo, I want to play football. I was just like, damn.
Yeah.
But I'm like, yo, I'm gonna let you.
Let you rock.
I'm gonna let you rock until you get that first hit and you like, okay, maybe I don't want to do this no more.
Uh-huh.
And then I was just like, but he's Aki, you know what I'm saying? Like he's just
Yeah.
like brolic, like, and he never like shows any type of like. Anytime I'm like, yo, you fucking up, he just looks at the floor and he's just like, I'm sorry. So today these motherfuckers are playing Fortnite and shit got hectic, and I just hear, "Yup, fucking TV's broken." Like from all the way from downstairs, I was like, "No!" Yo, once I heard that something, yo, I jumped out of bed so fast, I forgot I was Winnie the Pooh mode again. I ran downstairs, I was like, "Yo!" I was like, "Yo!" But then as soon as I seen that, like I'm running down the stairs, he's running up the stairs, so we cross each other's paths on the stairs, and I'm like, "Why is he running up the stairs?" Because I'm still like groggy and shit, like I'm just Yo, I go down there, I come back up to his room, he's laying in bed, he's just like, ah! As soon as I open the door, he just starts screaming at the time. I'm like, yo, I never put my hands on this kid in my life. Yo, I opened the door, he was just like, ah! I was like, yeah. I was like, word.
Yo.
I had like a shook celly, like, yeah, motherfucker.
Niggas like, lock it.
Yeah, you sit down to pee, you heard?
You clean it. Take that bar of soap and clean the cell, nigga. Right? Nah. Deodorant's for winners. What's wrong with you?
Fuck out of here, you
Get outta
stupid.
here, nigga.
Yo, them onion soups is mine now.
All right,
Fuck
all
outta
right.
here.
Here, I got you some Kool-Aid from the commissary. Feel free to dye your shirt, okay?
You know what I'm saying?
All right.
You understand?
Now grab my belt. We walk into the coffee. Walk to the coffee machine. We're like, oh no. It's like,
I'm gonna get a cup of coffee, nigga, hold in my pocket.
Yeah. I got an inmate in my pocket, and my hand is drinking coffee on Rikers. Like, it's the only acoustic inmate. I'm like, just doing.
Wow.
They're like, he made a guitar from the stuff he found in the cell and shit.
Yo,
Like,
you gotta give it up to him.
he made a guitar from his uniform. I'm like, bing, bing.
You come out, it's like you name the band Chorecraft. Get in the wild legal battle.
Niggas throw you in the hole. They're like, what you in here for? I stabbed CO. What you in here for? I was performing Unplugged. They're like, what?
I was performing Unplugged with Unlicensed IP.
There you go. Bow, 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 bow. Come as you are. Just mad guards rushes. Ah! They're like, we're not rushing you because you made an illegal guitar, but we got a DMCA notice from Universal, so sorry.
And you were a little pitchy too. You were a little very pitchy. Yeah, so we had to say
it's like, ayo, ayo, ayo. And you were like, ayo, ayo. Yeah, it's like that.
Yeah.
So,
it wasn't coming through. You know what I'm saying?
Enjoy the Bing. And also, Trump 2020, motherfucker. Like, oh, damn.
Just the little eyes, the little food slap like ka-chang.
Bing.
Like, ka-chang. Hold that.
Someone wrote Trump rules on a garbage dumpster near my house. And I was like, is that...
Are you trolling?
I was like, is he ruled his garbage dumpster? Then I was like, is this performance art? Is America that garbage dump? Wow.
Make America garbage again.
Wow.
Yo.
What if I discovered a new Banksy? Wow.
Yo. Just go pretend.
You can pretend that.
Fam,
but
all you gotta do is go over there with the Nikon like long lens camera and just like kneel down and take mad pictures of it and just be like, yo, when people are like, yo, what are you doing? Be like, yo, this Banksy is amazing.
It's the Banksy. See, I couldn't do that though because everyone know I'm lying because they're like, that's Jesus. He doesn't fuck with Banksy like that. The only Banksy respects is Lloyd. And I'll be like, Lloyd Banks is here?
Yo.
Banks?
Oh,
Yo,
shit.
where's my bass at? Oh shit.
Yo, can you sign my copy of Halloween Massacre?
Yo, could you sign my Gino Green t-shirt? Oh my god. Yo,
Gino
free-
Green.
matter of fact, I just happened to be walking around with the instrumental for Victory. Do you want to spit some bars?
Yo, what's up? Yo,
Hold
Gino
on,
Green.
let me charge my Zune. It's like, yo,
Fuck Zune. Yo, fuck Bill Gates. Not for any conspiracy theories about coronavirus, but
no,
for
fuck him.
inventing
He
the
spread
Zune.
Corona. He made it.
Fucking yeah, fuck him.
He made Corona.
Fuck you
Think
for
about it.
making Corona and making Zune.
Remember
Fuck
Ski
you more
Free?
for making Zune.
Remember Ski Free, the skiing game?
Yeah.
And remember when the monster came out? That was Corona 1, COVID 1.
Ooh.
So he's been trying
COVID
different
point 11. Ooh, he's been
Exactly.
working his way up since then.
COVID
See? Open
NT,
your third eye.
COVID
Yup.
me,
Yup. COVID. Yo.
what? COVID 7. Remember Windows
COVID
just
Vista?
went from no numbers to all of a sudden COVID 7. Remember
Oh.
that? Oh,
Don't forget COVID 98.
COVID Professional Edition. Yeah, y'all don't see it.
Why? Why'd you need that?
Y'all don't see it. Y'all don't see that.
Why'd you need that?
And people were just like, why would Bill Gates do that? Look at Bill Gates. You know he got bullied when he was younger. He's not over that. He's not over that.
Nah.
Because think about it. He has mad money and we're still on the internet calling him a nerd.
Yeah,
So
he's like, you know what? All the football players, all of you guys that beat me up in high school, you're probably just like overweight and at high risk for like a highly infectious disease. So fuck you all.
fuck all of you guys. Fuck all of you. I'm going
I'm
to
sending
Wuhan.
this shit to Florida first.
Exactly. Whose pussy is this? Whose pussy is this? Tell me it's Bill Gates' pussy. Tell
Yeah.
me it's mine. Tell me
Yeah.
it's mine.
Yeah, tell me it's my WAP.
Tell me it's, yeah. My white ass penis. Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. Got that white ass penis. Yeah.
White ass penis.
We're gonna do a video and it's just white ass penis appreciation. It's just gonna be like white guys. But it's gonna be problematic because it's gonna be like all the white guys the timeline lusts after, but it's gonna be mixed in with like problematic guys that they don't like. So every time you're enjoying yourself, it'll be just someone.
Boom, Jared Kushner.
There you go. Boom. Bow. Bow.
Yeah, how you feel about
Yeah.
that?
Yeah. Jared that's who walks down the hall. It's like slow motion Jared
Yeah,
Kushner. Like, yo.
They pan up
Like-
and shit, and you just see his little fucking mousy ass face, like.
Jared Kushner got the fucking bulge in the front. You're like, wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Yo, is Jared Kushner shoplifting Pringles? You're like, whoa. Yo. Imagine Ivanka Trump dancing to a wet ass pussy.
Yo, that's white ass pussy. She's
White ass pussy.
Just shoulders the whole time. Like, yo, just mad shoulders, no ass rotation at all.
A lot of hand gestures.
Yeah. She do
Yeah.
like fucking a line dance or some shit. Like, fucking. Ugh.
But I mean, what's better than better than wet ass pussy would be pregnant pussy, of course.
Pregnant pussy fire. I can attest
Pregnant
to
pussy. Flu pussy. Flu pussy is
Flu
fire.
pussy. Flu pussy is fire when you have flu or they have flu or you both have flu.
Yeah.
Either way, it's fire.
Either way works.
Because if you got flu like that after that nut for like at least 5 to 10 minutes, you feel like you're not dying.
I'm gonna say something very problematic here, so I'm gonna hit the light early.
I can feel it.
COVID choach is up there.
Yo.
It is. It is. It's gotta be. Now I'm not saying having sex with someone who has COVID, but I mean the whole nastiness that you have to do to have sex during coronavirus. But first of all, you're breaking social distancing. So first of all, you gotta meet another nasty motherfucker, and y'all linked up off of that, and then y'all laugh at people who are locked in the bubbles because you're like, they scared to live. We out here wilding. But then the other thing is, if you smash it during COVID, you don't gotta use condoms. Nah,
Yeah.
fuck that. That's off the table. You fucking in a pandemic.
You're already putting
You
yourself
already-
at risk.
Exactly. Throw them away. Throw them away, bro.
Nigga, they got prep. They don't got
Okay.
shit for fucking COVID, nigga.
What
Shit.
you out here giving her back shots with a face mask on? Like,
Like,
bro.
come on, fuck
That's-
out of here. You
like-
try to spit in the pussy, you just spit in your own mask. Like, oh shit, went up my nose.
Yeah.
Ew.
But then that is kind of hot. Like if you gotta take the mask off to spit in someone's mouth, like, yeah. Also defeats the purpose of masks, but there's
Yeah.
also that.
There's mad condensation inside the mask used to get the choach wet. Like, yeah, you like that? Yeah.
Nasty. You snap the side of the bang against the butt to smack it, like bang, bang. Oh, yeah, that COVID choke.
yeah.
And then, because also, in theory, you should only be having COVID sex with one person. But some of y'all out here running around, you know what I'm saying? Listen, y'all got that SSP, that super spreading pussy. You know what I'm saying? All right?
You're doing
With
a
that
lot.
sick, you got that sap, that sick ass pussy.
You know what I'm saying? Yo, listen.
Okay.
It's fluids, man. Droplets can come in the form of saliva or semen. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
or
you know what? 'Cause
vaginal discharge or whatever.
Everyone's like
Secretions.
avoid close contact and fluids. Sex is like, nah, we doing all of that and extra.
We do all that.
We doing all of that extra. Matter of fact,
Yeah.
I'm putting my foot in her mouth. Ah.
How many fluids you got? I want all
All
of
of
them.
them.
It's like
All
you
of
get an
them.
oil change and shit. Like, yo, your fluids are low, nigga. Yo, give me
Okay.
all my fluids.
You turn the fucking minor key and shit. Like, you just come out cleaning the oil off your hands with like a towel. Like, yeah.
Yeah.
Who had the Dodge Charger? Dodge Charger? Yeah. It's ready to go.
It's ready to go.
Ready to go.
Think I
You
was
know?
scooping up outside.
Gave it an oil change, lubricated the bearings, you know what I'm
You know what I'm
saying?
saying?
Rotated the tires. You're good to go, baby. Thanks for coming to Jiffy Lube.
Oh, I'm sorry. I left your clit hood up.
Ah, you hate when that happens. Hate when that happens. Ah. Clit Hood. Clit Hood sounds like a bad neighborhood.
Yo.
But it got gentrified.
They got yeah.
Yeah.
It was wild back in the day. It was mad wild clits running around.
Back when, like, in the 90s when Biggie lived there. Yeah, they were all
pierced and shit.
all the criminals there, the killer clips. The
Killer
yeah.
Clits. Yeah.
Yeah,
The
man,
Blitz.
bad.
You know what I'm saying? The
Blitz.
blood set.
Uh-huh.
You know what I'm saying? They were wild and wild.
Shit was dangerous.
It was a war. It was war all day.
Now all they got there is like a flower shop, a coffee
Yeah.
shop, an artisanal rice store, but they only sell 2 types of rice. And
Yeah.
they're only open from 1 to 4 on Wednesdays and Thursdays. So
That doesn't make it. Why? Like,
why not?
Yeah.
The person, because the person that runs it doesn't need any money to survive. They are clearly off a trust fund, and it's just somewhere for them to go.
It's just like a
and-
cool creative place.
Exactly.
For me to
It's
explore
somewhere-
ideas.
It's because these people have so much money, they have nothing going on, and they're literally bored in the daytime. So they do little things like that. So they have something to talk about with their other friends who are also living the same well-off situations, who are also doing stupid things like that. And you people are like, Jesus, what the fuck are you talking about? It's like when I worked at the library, you had all these rich people who were so fucking rich and had so many houses and shit, they had nothing else to do with their lives. They were bored, so they'd come and they'd work on panels at the library and they'd work on fundraisers and shit that they didn't need to. Why are you doing a fundraiser if you're worth like 95 mil? Just
You
give
could've
us
just
the
wrote a
money.
check.
You could have just wrote the
check.
check. But no, they want to put on the ball and gown. They want to take the picture with the mayor. They want to have the little parties and shit. They want to
gotta
feel
do it.
fulfilled. You gotta do it.
You gotta, yeah. When you're rich.
And I'm saying this.
You gotta let niggas know.
And I'm only saying this now so that when they play this at our 50th anniversary gala at the library,
$20,000 a plate.
where me and Meryl are just oh my god, we are so sold out. Oh my god.
Oh god, fam! I got an Apple logo tatted on my throat.
Bro, we are just it's just a mess.
we got more face tests than Tekashi, but they're all brands. Like, yo.
I'm married to Mitch McConnell's granddaughter. Like, she's just a mess. Oh my god! I'm like, congrats, President Trump, on your 7th term. Oh my god!
Unbelievable.
You know what I'm saying? Oh shit! Trump 2034, motherfucker. Like, oh shit! Oh shit! Niggas like, what?
Everyone's like, yeah.
Like, I'm like, do the drop, and by drop, I mean dropping those damn Democrats and those liberals. Boo!
That's right. Boo! Get them out of here.
All right. Now, even though it's 2034, we still got social distance because this coronavirus doesn't seem to be going anywhere. I mean, you know, today we hit 7 million dead Americans, but President Trump said it's gonna disappear when it gets warm. So
He thought.
he thought.
Yo, oh man, damn dog.
Now we hit I think we hit a million. We hit 1 million cases today.
Yeah,
Is that good?
that's fucking awful. Considering,
I mean,
like, fucking.
It's awful, but at the same time, I mean, USA.
Yeah.
We could definitely get if we were at Yankee Stadium, we could get a chant started. Like if they were like,
man.
please have a moment of silence. America has hit 1 million cases. And everyone's like really quiet, and I'm just mad drunk. I'm like, woo! Yeah!
Ooh, yeah!
Yeah!
Ow!
Take that, Bin Laden!
Yeah!
Woo!
Fuck you,
USA!
commies! USA!
Let's go! Let's fucking go!
Yeah!
And the Rockets, red glare!
Flag
Yeah.
rocking eagle.
That's right, sweet Caroline. They're like, are they MAGA? They're like, no, they're just drunk.
Charlie.
They're just drunk. They're
Yeah, they're just wasting time.
they were pre-gaming across the street at McDonald's, but like, what the fuck?
they were doing a lot.
They were doing a lot, and the thing was like, they're on TV. Why are they still acting like that?
Absolutely no reason to do this.
And the thing is, they're on TV, but if you look at them, they look exactly like everyone else in that plaza. Like every dope fiend, every angry person. Like there's no difference. It's so weird. It's so weird.
Yo, have you read about this whole fucking brouhaha in like the Upper West Side about people? I think it's Upper West Side. People being mad about them using hotels, like fancy hotels, to house homeless people.
The homeless people? Yeah.
And they were like, "There's people outside peeing in the street. It's out of control. It's like the 70s all over again." I was like, "Yo, no, it's not, and not at all."
people who, I don't know, this just like people who moved to New York and then like they come. Let me tell you something. There's like, as bad as New York, people are like, New York is bad right now. I'm like, no, it's not.
Fam,
No, it's not. Like,
are you dumb?
New York
Like-
is very chill right now. Okay?
like what?
And people were just like, "Oh, what are you talking about, Jesus, bro?" Like, literally, we used to walk around with guns daily. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like the way you go, you're like, "Oh shit, I forgot my face mask." We used to like run back home, like, "Yo, where's the blicky? You got your belt?" Like or even
dog.
before that, where like homeless people was just pushing people off the
Off
platform
platform.
just for fun.
Like, yo, fuck it. I'm gonna just push this motherfucker. Yo, shout out to my guy Most, who got pushed off a platform by some dude, washed him, and just threw him down the flight of stairs and got on the train like nothing happened.
And that's how you're supposed to handle it as
True
a New
New
Yorker.
Yorker.
You know what I'm saying? People forget about there was that model on the Upper East Side, and two guys just came and slashed her face for
Yep.
no fucking reason.
For no reason
And then
at
it
all.
turned out it was like the landlord had sent them because like he had tried to holler at her and she wasn't having it. And that was regular stuff. They forget about like Bernard Getz, who
Yo.
got on the train with the burner.
With the burner, like, yo, try me.
Yo, try.
Yeah,
shot
I look
three
like a
people.
substitute teacher.
Uh-huh,
Holla at me. Yo.
Forget about Larry
Fam.
Davis. You know
Yo,
what I'm
I was
saying?
about to say, I was like, yo, this dude had it was a manhunt in New York City.
Mm-hmm.
Like, fam, like, when's the last time that happened? I'm trying to tell you.
They were looking for him.
Motherfuckers talking about, yo, it's wild, bro. It's like the 80s and 90s again. No, I'm here to tell you it is not.
It is
we
not.
are here. The Bodega Boys are here. PSA. It is not
Okay.
like the 80s and 90s, y'all.
Listen, you don't ever come out your house and be like, "Holy shit, they stole my car battery."
Yo,
Okay, that was
They
regular
stole my
shit.
antenna. They stole my
Yo.
wipers.
They stole my car. They stole my mirror. Wow.
Yo, damn.
Man.
They still, yo, if you ever got your car stolen piecemeal, like
You know?
that was like that's not happening in 2020.
And then that hurt because they stole your antenna. They wasn't stealing your antenna to use it.
Nah, it was
they
just stole
your
krills.
They stole your antenna to use it. You know what I'm saying?
uh-huh.
Listen, it was in NASA, but we had some rock stars, if you know what I'm saying, a
hell yeah.
couple astronauts.
They was getting real good reception with that shit.
Hey, Poppy, it's my lady's birthday, so sell me one of those little roses in the glass tube, and maybe
yo, come
a
on.
mesh filter, bro.
Yo, is
Yeah,
it glass tube like, like really glass or it's plastic? I gotta know
It's
before.
glass, bro. Come on, bro. Bro, you know what? I don't usually do is throw me some of that, Special K, bro. You know what I'm saying? Come on,
Yo,
bro.
drugs and all that shit was mad more rampant in the 90s, in the 80s and 90s. Are you wild? Like, these people are bugging. Like, they see, like, two homeless dudes pee outside, and they're like, oh, my God, New York is falling.
Well, that's not true. Me and my neighbor were doing Quaaludes yesterday. We were just chilling.
Throwback.
Niggas just eating rice and doing Quaaludes. Like,
Yo.
I'm just sitting there. I'm like, yo, this is mad whack. This is mad whack.
Niggas said Quaaludes and shit said Mitchell and Ness on the back and shit. Like, yo, oh, shit, yo. You got the throwback.
And when they kick in, all of a sudden I'm wearing 42 length jeans. I'm like,
You're
yo.
oh, shit. Like, you're like, dun,
Yo.
dun, 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 dun.
I'm like, yo, hold on, I gotta call Miro. Yo, Jay-Z
Yo.
sampled Annie, yo.
Yo,
that's crazy,
that's
bro.
wild.
Yo.
So nightlife for us, yo.
Yo.
Hope to God.
I remember, shout out to my man G Steel, because he was like, yo, I gotta talk to you right now. And I was like, what happened? He was like, yo, you gotta come to my house. And I was like, are you for real? What's going on? Like, I dead ass thought like he got robbed. There was some beef or something. Came through with the blicky. Like, what's up? What's going on? He was like, yo, listen to this.
Yep.
And it was Jay-Z rapping over Annie, and I was like, yeah, you did the right
Okay.
thing.
This
This was the right way to tell me.
No, that's true. You're right.
Yeah, you're right. This was the right way. It's a hard knock life for us.
Yo, what?
I remember the first time we played it, I was like, this shit is so fucking trash. Oh my, he fucking ain't nobody gonna listen to this shit. This shit is fucking whack, nigga. Yo, this nigga. 'Cause remember every time Jay-Z dropped something new, he was like, nah, he's done. Every time. Because he was Jay-Z was cooking too hard for a minute there. So we were sitting there like haters.
Everybody was like,
nah.
yo.
Nah, this nigga ain't he ain't next.
They draked him. They were like, nah, he ain't that fire.
And remember,
Eminem bodied him on his own shit. Yo, I was like,
because we were still tight that Biggie died. We wasn't ready for a replacement yet.
Yeah.
Then the second time I heard Hard Knock Life, I was like,
damn, dog.
this nigga don't miss. Damn. Fuck.
Dog. I heard where I'm from. I was like, fuck.
Damn.
Shit. This nigga's hot. Shit is hard.
First time he was like, who's the dopest MC, Biggie, Jay-Z, and Nas? I was like, what?
Sir?
Excuse you?
What?
Excuse you?
I was like,
You-
sir, you're not supposed to put yourself there.
Don't fit in? How dare you? Who is this guy? Who is it? Who is this guy? And he's dating that Bama chick from Houston that's never gonna amount to anything. Like, what the hell? God.
The daughter of Matthew.
Shut up, Matthew. What the hell? Destiny's Child. I'll see you in the bargain bin. They're good, but they'll never be Little Women. Oh, my God.
Talk about it. 3LW.
Yeah,
That's a big group. That's a lot.
Them beating them, yeah, promises.
Oh, no. Look at the TH at there.
Wild out. Hold on. That's 3LW's best song. Remember that? The song. The Wild Out remix.
The Wild Out remix.
But back then, that would not be weird
at all. Yeah,
They'd be like, you just be looking at the title. It's like, yo, 3LW
featuring
the Wild
Sheek
Out
Luch.
remix. You Sheek Luch.
Like, what?
Sheek Luch is like, yo, the ghost is here. Shoot back to back till the coast is clear. You're like, Sheek. It's a song for like teenagers.
Song is about it's about being in love.
Okay.
Oh,
okay.
Yo, I'm in love with my Glock, like I'm in love with my block, like I'm in love with selling rock.
Okay, it's not. Let's try something else. He's like, yo, it's hell in the cell, and if I see you in the yard, I'm beg to yell. You're like, you know what?
Wow. Okay.
You know what?
Okay.
We'll just, you know what? Just do what you do. We'll
you
make
know
something
what?
happen.
That's
we'll
fine.
make something happen.
That's fine.
Okay.
That's fine. We'll auto tune it.
Is it? Do you want us to call you Sheik or Luch? Okay, Luch. Yeah. Do your thing, man. Do your thing.
Big
yeah.
Luch. Big Luch.
Big Luch.
Okay, Big Luch.
Okay. One last thing. D Block motherfuckers. Okay,
D Block for life. Remember the freestyle? Oh, blow you. This is D Block for life.
Shout out to all the sound engineers out there that got to work with rappers, but they're not like scared of them because the sound engineer's been through so much shit.
Oh,
they're like,
man.
bro. I
You get like a 40-year-old, like a 40-year veteran sound engineer. It's
yeah, he's like, bro. I remember one night, Bob Dylan OD'd here. Swear to God, bro. Swear to God.
Out of here.
Had to put a Quaalude in his butt to wake him up.
Come on. You're not scaring me with your little weed and your little Hennessy, bro. I saw Madonna blow fucking Rakim in here and do fucking tooting rails off his cock the whole time.
You pull a gun out, they're like, let me tell you something, bro. I worked with Billie Eilish back in 1920. Nothing you can tell me is gonna scare me, bro.
That's right.
I've been around. I seen shit, bro. Bro. I once hit a body for Bruce Springsteen. Yeah.
Yeah, the boss.
Yeah. You want to see the body? So I just put it in that closet right there. It's that's right there. So you can smell it right now.
Yeah, I just keep spraying Febreze every day.
It's no biggie, bro. And they don't even say it in a scary way. They just say it in a way that just seems normal. Shout out to all the sound people. Shout out to Andy, all our sound people.
Yeah, shout out to Andy.
Also, shout out to the two new specialists we hired for our show to do specialized sound engineering at our house, Daniel and Joel. Top notch.
Shout out to Joel.
You know what? A lot of people
as well. Yeah.
It's weird because apparently they went to one of those audio technical schools that advertised during Jerry Springer.
Yeah.
And it worked out for them.
Who would have thought?
All right. They also told me that if you guys need TV, VCR, or gun repair, hit them up.
Yes.
Which seems like three very distinct things.
Yeah. And I don't know whether it's an asterisk by gun repair.
Imagine you get a nigga, you call Best Buy to get your TV fixed, and the guy comes through like, all right, so this is like a Mac. What model number? This is Mac 10, or this is like a
Mac.
It's like a Smith and Wesson.
Did you update the magazine? Is this
You know what
is
it
this the
is?
factory
Oh.
issue magazine?
You know
Oh,
what
this
it is?
y'all. You know what it is? It's a third-party magazine. That's why
Mero,
it's
he
not
don't.
compatible.
Mero, look, he don't got no bullets in the chamber.
Oh, you didn't chamber anything?
You didn't chamber.
Of
Mero, go
course.
in the van. I got a 50 cal in the back, and bring the extendo.
Okay. It's not the camouflage one, right? That's a special order.
You know what? He has kids. Bring the pink one.
All right. Yeah. Come on, we gonna hook you up, bro. We gonna hook you
Yeah.
up.
They're like, are you from Genius Bar? We're like, nah, we from Guns Nigga Bar.
Yeah. What's up?
Yeah.
Can't spell genius without guns, nigga. What's up?
What's up? I mean, you can if you spell it wrong.
If you spell it mad wrong, but you got a problem?
Just scratching my head with a 9, like.
Shit. You got something better to do?
You know what? Actually, we're done here. So can you just sign this right here to say that you're happy with what's happening? And by sign, I mean just shoot the bottom of this clipboard.
Yeah. Okay. Fingerprint and shoots the shit like yo.
Also, shout out to everyone out there doing VCR repair. Woo! Business is slow.
Wow.
And it was slow before the pandemic.
Fam. If you're a VCR repairman and that's like your skill,
That's it.
like that's it.
Oh my god! You don't kind of
damn.
you drinking at 8 a.m. You drinking at 8 a.m. like fuck.
And you went to bed at 7 a.m.
You on Twitter like, hey, one tweet will help me go viral. I fix VCRs. Haha. Does anybody? Just a wife like, you still fucking fixing? Philidor, you still fixing VCRs?
Support black-owned business. He changed
It's
his avatar
20
to a black guy.
It's 2020. You're still out here fixing VCRs. You can't feed your fucking family feeding VCRs.
Listen, a lot of people respect the quality of a
Nobody
VCR.
respects VCRs anymore, Artie.
Sony still makes VCRs.
Oh
I saw
my
one.
God.
I saw one at PC Richard the other day.
Oh, you know what? Yeah, PC
Yeah,
Richards.
yeah.
Yeah.
You
That
know
was
that one.
1987. No one's bought a VCR since 1987, Artie.
87 was a good year.
Oh,
A lot of
Bro.
listen, there's a lot of collectors out there. They'll pay a pretty penny for you to fix a Toshiba forehead cylinder VCR.
oh my God, a VCR is like $7 on Craigslist. No one gets them fixed anymore, Artie. My mother told you to get out this business in 1978.
Well, guess
Why?
what? Well, you know what? I hate to say it. All due respect, your mother's a cunt.
She died, Artie. She died.
I know. I was there.
I know, because a VCR fell on her, and it's very mysterious.
Yeah. Well, you know what? Maybe you watch what you say around me. You know what I mean?
You know what?
Huh?
You know what? You know what else my
Especially if
mother
you're
said?
high risk. Especially if
You
you're
know
high
what?
risk.
My mother also told me, I should have married you. I should have married your brother. Yeah.
Wow. Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, guess what?
Yeah, but no, I
Guess
gotta
what?
end up with Artie DiGiorno, huh?
Yeah,
the only
yeah.
DiGiorno not in the pizza business.
Yeah.
Ah.
Well, guess what? Danny DiGiorno has a little pepperoni, if you know what I mean. All right.
Yo, guess what? Danny, Tony, your sister Julia, they're all eating off that good D'Agostino money, huh? Huh? DiGiorno. The DiGiorno's is keeping look at them. They got mansions. What do you got? You got a pile of fucking VCRs over here.
Fucking bro.
You got some Disney VHS tapes that are not gonna accumulate in value. I'm telling you that.
Let me
No
tell you
one
something, you
wants to pay
goddamn
for
bitch.
Snow White.
Somebody's gonna pay a pretty penny for that copy of Watership Down one day. I told you I'm never getting rid of it, so go fuck yourself. All right? I'm gonna go
Artie,
sign
there's
the
something
smoke out
called
back.
Disney Plus. There's something called Disney Plus. We can't live like this.
Jesus Christ.
Our
You know
kids
what?
never had a room. You have a room full of pornography on VHS. Enough is enough.
All right, you know what? I'm out of here. I'm out
Yeah,
of here.
get outta
I'm
here.
going outside to get coughed on.
Yeah, I hope you do. It'd be the first thing you accomplished since 1985.
Wow, you know that was hurtful. That was when you said my Nana sauce was too sweet. That was
It was
hurtful.
too sweet.
That hurt
It
me
was
in my
too sweet.
it hurt me in my it hurt my heart. All
Yeah,
right?
it was too sweet, all right? It was too sweet. It was too sweet like your guy Danny DiGiorno, but we're not even going to get into that. Yeah, about your brother.
Wow. You know what?
Shout out to the Bodega Boys Reddit. They're like, okay, so Artie DiGiorno is a VCR repair person whose wife wants to fuck his brother. Like, they're like, I go with it, but are we gonna hear more about them? Who knows?
Yo, are they going to
Who
develop
knows?
this? You never know.
Listen.
They might bring it out in episode
If you-
289.
If you guys want it, we'll make it. Listen, that's a Quibi show waiting to happen.
Yo,
This is-
listen.
Artie's taking his new invention, the triple VCR, the Shark Tank.
Yo.
Woo!
You know what I'm
He's like,
saying?
listen, you can record, play, and record at the same time.
Boom.
Boom.
Can't
What
miss.
more do you want?
Fubu
Can't miss.
guy. Are you with me? Come on.
Come Come on. I went to a Missy video.
Bias, you know?
Let's go. Artie DiGiorno. It tastes like homemade. What's the DiGiorno saying? It's not.
It's not.
Wait.
It's DiGiorno.
It's not delivery. It's DiGiorno. All right. Again, I would like to point out that every time Miro says any kind of corporate slogan, he says it like it's Naughty America. There's no way that the DiGiorno slogan sounds like the Naughty American slogan. Okay? Okay?
It says, yo, this is the only slogan I know.
Nobody makes it taste like delivery. He's like, what?
Nobody has stuffed crust.
Like, you're trying to check while you're cooking in the oven, you gotta turn down the volume. You're like, oh shit.
Yo, turn the timer off.
It's only pizza with a pre-roll. You're like, come on, bro. I'm trying to eat.
You take it out the oven, it's like, when you put it on the cooling rack.
Hey guys, want to maintain erections? You're like, this is 10 seconds? Come on, bro.
Oh, wow. DiGiorno's jerk off inspiration video.
Hey, Naughty America, want to go to DiGiorno's Plus? DiGiorno's Premium? Yeah.
DiGiorno's Premium.
Get some of that
Sign up for a week
HD.
free.
Get some of that HD DiGiorno's energy, baby.
Yo.
So wait, so I guess we can't do the Sabaro's jersey. We got to do the DiGiorno's. No.
Yo.
Sabaro's, we're keeping the Sabaro's jersey, but we're doing a DiGiorno's football shirt. Is that what they call it, Victor? Football jersey?
Football
jersey. There we go.
Yeah.
Or a kit, if you're particularly British.
Yeah.
A kit. That's right.
Strip.
Victor.
If you're
Victor,
British and from the 70s,
there you go.
and you believe in the
Victor.
bush.
Victor is working with us. We are dropping the DiGiorno's kit for the footballers out
ready.
there.
Yeah,
it's gonna be out there.
You play a little footy, mate. You know what I'm saying?
And each one smells like DiGiorno. So
yeah. Sign up
That's
right
what-
there. Get yourself
listen,
a
I'm
proper
a-
kit, mate.
we've reached that level in sneaker culture. It's not about copying. It's about creating.
Yes.
And because we've been at the part of sneaker culture where we've missed out on drops that were like stupid hard to get and infuriated people, we got to one up that. We got to make the hardest sneaker drops ever. I'm talking about, if you want this pair of sneakers right now, you got to get to the top floor of Statue of Liberty, and guess what? No boats are going right now. How bad do you want it? You know what I'm saying? You go.
You go up there, the mayor already has 6 pairs.
Damn. Is there a shoe from back in the day that like you still don't have that you missed?
At this point, it's like you can any sneaker you want. It could probably get at StockX or Flight Club or Stadium Goods, but it's different if you just spending straight money to get it. You know what I'm saying? Like if it's one thing if it's like a flex, like I got this somehow, or like I traded for it. But if you're just like, it's not fun. And it's just like, I got a lot of money and I wasted it on sneakers. And I mean, it looks like people are like, that's cool. It's cool. It's like, for example, the Dior ones.
Yeah.
Like, if you got them from a Connect or something, even if you paid retail for it, that's like, that's super impressive. Everyone's stories like,
So in this economy, whew,
yes. But then if you just like, people just like, Bieber got the Dior ones. It's like,
Duh.
That's
He's Justin
Yeah.
Bieber.
right, but if you saw like, let me see if they came out in the Dior, if Dr. Fauci came out in the Dior ones,
Yo.
nigga.
Or if you're just in Key Food, nigga getting cheese, and you look down and nigga got the Dior ones on, you're like, yo.
That's weird because I remember when the Red Octobers dropped, they did the secret drop, and then the next week I seen the security guard at Rite Aid wearing them, and that's wild because you're not even supposed to wear red sneakers. Like, that's how bad he wanted to flex in them, and I was like, they don't hit the same. They don't hit the same.
They don't hit the same with the Securitas.
And then I went into the deodorant aisle and started crying. Just the instrumental for Devil in a New Dress is playing in the background. I'm just punching the wall.
You're like, I want to get the kicks, huh?
I feel you, Jesus. Freddy Krueger SB Dunk lows. I could pay like 8 G's for them, but it's just not the same.
Yeah,
It's not.
That's bad.
And then you know what? Now I'm moving on because sneaker collecting is cool. Fam, watch collecting is fucking nuts, bro.
Yo,
I was looking at a Rolex the other day that it's $30,000, but they will only sell it in Russia, which is like, fam, if you get that watch, you're going to be shitting on people. You know what I'm saying? But then it's just like, at the same time, the only people who are going to know that you're shitting on people are people who know the value of watches. So it's just like,
It's like,
you don't wear it.
it's
Somebody's like, hey, that's a nice G-Shock. You're like, what the?
Yo,
Sir.
fam. Nah.
Nigga, I had to kill Putin's daughter for this.
For
Like,
you,
oh,
you
shit.
know what I'm saying, dog? I had to do a fucking. We had to do a show in a country with civil unrest, nigga. What the
Nigga, I
fuck?
have to watch my back for the rest of my lives.
You crazy?
For this watch.
What's wrong with you, man?
That was the flex. That was the flex. We need
Yo,
a new.
talk about
Go ahead.
fucking the fucking Freddy Krueger SB dunks, bro. I got them, and the worst part about it was that my cat at the time sprayed them because he wasn't fixed.
Ooh.
So he sprayed them, and nothing, and I tell you, nothing took the smell out of those sneakers, B.
You
To the
can't-
point that
listen.
like yo, when a cat is not fixed and sprays some shit, nigga, throw it in the garbage.
I remember, shout out to Charlie because he no longer does it. But when I used to, in my first apartment with Charlie used to spray all the time. And if anything fit the floor that wasn't mine, he was spraying it. I remember Shorty came over with her Louis Vuitton bag. All of a sudden, and she put it on the floor, and I was like, what did you do? She was like, oh, I just put it on the floor over there. I was like, oh my God, go get it. And she was like, what are you talking? I was like, my cat's gonna spray it. I came, and Charlie was like licking himself like,
Yeah,
It's
too
done.
late.
done.
If you're reading this too late, it's too late.
She's like, boy, you're, and she was like, no. She was like, she started washing it in like hot water. She was trying to get, I was like, no, it's done.
Nah,
I was
it's
like,
over. It's over. Nothing.
And then Shorty was like, are you gonna pay for it? And I was like, heck, baby, I'm popped. Like,
I'm broke, baby.
I'm broke, baby. like, baby, you just picked up the tag at Applebee's. Like, I'm not bringing anything to this relationship. Like, what's wrong with you?
And we went there for the $5 appetizers.
Okay. All I'm bringing is that BAP, that broke ass penis. Okay. All right. Now go in the fridge and get a quarter water and a Lunchable, and then I'm gonna go hop in the shower. He's like, oh shit. Listen, but as women know, broke ass penis is the best kind of penis.
Yo, it is.
As someone who formerly had it, you know what I'm saying? I used to distribute it, and women enjoyed it.
Yeah.
There were definitely situations where you're just like, wow, you look at the other person like you deserve better than this.
You deserve way better than me. I'm a
You
scumbag. Yo, I used to go.
Mm-hmm.
I used to hit Shorty off with broke ass penis, and I'm like, yo, you go to Pace. You're graduated magna cum laude. Like,
Mm-hmm.
you know what I'm saying? You got a career.
I remember
Like, you got your
Shorty-
own car and shit. Like you're paying all. I'm like, yo, you could do so much better than me. But like, yo, fuck it. Here,
I remember one time I
drop
came
the
over.
top back.
It was like
Get the yopper.
it was this older chick, and like I came over, and she was always watching like PBS and shit like that, and like document. And I was like, all right, she's smart, whatever. I was like, she's always reading books. And then she'd be like, yo, after work, you know, come. And I was like, yo, I get off work at like 4 a.m. She was like, yeah, I know what I said. And I was like, oh, okay, it's like that. Fam, one day she was working on her resume. And she was like, you know, because having a master's degree. I was like, you have a master's degree? She was like, yeah. I was like, why don't we ever talk about books or anything? She was like, why do you still have your clothes on? I was like, oh God. Oh, that's what this is.
It's one of those situations.
I was like, wow.
I'm cool with it.
I was like, did you at least buy the Becks as I asked you to do? She was like, you know I did. I was like, all right, good.
Yo, shout out to
I was like-
the Lehman Brothers. I was
I was like, yo, this is a nice ass apartment. You sure I could smoke in here? She was like, you could do whatever you want. I was like, oh, it's here like that? All right, let's go. Let me ruin your life.
Yeah, girl.
But then in situations like that, you break it off until she's like, one day she's like, all right, we're done. And you're like, oof. Okay. She's like, no, like I'm gonna get with my ex-husband, or you know, like I'm just moving to like Atlanta. And you're like,
Yeah. That,
what about me?
Shorty's,
what about me? I programmed in my favorite channels into the remote already. Like you can't
why
leave now.
You can't leave now. I'm
Yo.
settled in. Fuck
Like I'm used to Fios. You have DirecTV. I learned all the channels on your system. You can't do this to me, Mom. Like,
Yo.
like 55 is not BET on Fios.
No.
Like, come on.
I'm scared.
I learned for you, Mom.
Trying to flick through channels, find the Yankee game. You're like, no.
It's like the same.
No.
It's the same.
Yo. Shout out to, I was going to say shout out to Shorties, but shout out to people that reinvent, like, do the thing and then go to another city and reinvent themselves. That Shorty coming through and topping me off. We used to, literally, it was a night that we had called Henny and Clue. And we drank Henny and smoked
Clue.
weed and played Clue.
Oh,
And fuck it, like the board game.
I was like, wait a minute. So you, Shorty, and DJ Clue were drinking Hennessy?
Yeah, yo, it was a great time.
Every time he took a shot, he's like, Illuminati!
And I was like, yo, Shorty just used to go through and give me the wild yapper. Nigga, after I was like, yo, it's Colonel Mustard in the library with the lead pipe. Like, I'm about to hit you with the lead pipe. Like,
Oh, shit.
and that shorty's in Atlanta. She's like, yeah, I'm a realtor. I was like,
Yo.
okay. I
This
see you.
nigga get it toppy next to Fabulous Sport. Like, yo. Down. I'm like, yo.
Fabulous Sport. Yo, Fabulous and Fabulous Sport are two different people, by the
Two
way.
very different. Two very different rappers. Okay? Fabulous is like making songs with Tamia. Fabulous Sport ain't.
Nah.
A lot of Fabulous Sports songs were just him renting out the recording studio so his people could rob you when you come out. So, you know, it was different.
Shut the BGS.
Also, shout out to last night randomly Jay-Z and Jay-Z and MOP song came on. That was a different New York. Remember when Jay-Z was like, "Don't confuse me for Stephon Marbury, this bitch. Run up on me at the light, you might lose your life." What the
he had Beanie in the video being like, I will shoot you. I will shoot you.
Me, Bernard S. Siegel. I will shoot you. Okay?
I'm making sure to mouth it as clearly as possible for you.
We gotta reshoot that. And we gotta be like, have Jay-Z say it, but when we turn it, it's Bernie Sanders. Bernie Sanders like, I'll shoot you.
I'll shoot you. Me.
I'll shoot you. I promise you.
I promise.
This is why we all need.
This
is why we need universal health care, because I'll be shooting niggas.
I'll shoot so many niggas out here in the streets that you will need universal health care. It'll be it'll be mandated.
Did you see today? Joe Biden was riding a bike.
Oh, what?
Yeah, that's where this election is. Because everyone's like, "Yo, he was riding a bike."
Yo, he's out here.
Like everyone.
If he rode a fucking Revel scooter, I'd be more impressed. Like.
Joe Biden with mad cuts to the eyebrow, riding the Revel scooter on the bike path in the wrong direction. He got like a little boom speaker. He blasted Wild Dembo. Like, he got shorty with the wild yeeks on the back. Like, yo,
it's a one-person vehicle, Joe. He's
There's
like,
no
fuck you.
There's no helmet. Joe Biden's mask is on his neck. It's not around his mask. He's like, yo, he's not social distancing.
No.
Yo, I see Joe Biden on a Revel going to Astoria. What's good? What's going on?
Yo, it's going to Rivieras.
This is Joe Biden like, yo, he get mad drunk. He gets depressed. He's like, yo, I miss Pop Smoke. He's like, oh, damn. Wow.
Man,
big 2020 energy, yo.
Yo, I feel you, my G.
He's like,
Yo.
check out my woo.
Woo. The woo.
Niggas say they outside.
Niggas say that outside.
Niggas say outside. Is Joe Biden do the woo dance? Like,
Nigga just hit that shit, hit that whole man hard. Nigga like,
oh,
yo, he's mad. Yo, look at the dexterity.
oh, wow.
They're like analyzing this shit on like MSNBC. Like, yo, look at the dexterity. Chris
Listen,
Hayes,
that's
like,
what-
tonight, on All In with Chris Hayes. Joe Biden is out here hitting the Millie Rock.
It's gonna be Rachel Maddow, breaking news. Joe Biden has added YBN in front of his name.
Wow.
Okay. Wow.
Wow. NBA Joe Biden.
Wow.
Takes the stage.
Wow. Okay. you see Joe Biden with the trippy red tattoos on his face? Like, I'm like, he's definitely going for that urban vote.
Yo, Joe. Yo, Joe. If you get face tats, though, you got my vote locked in early.
Yo,
I'm
Joe,
telling you right now.
Joe, if you want the urban vote, you gotta kill your verse on Wet Ass Pussy on the remix. Yo.
It's like my leg hairs. My wet leg hairs.
She wanna be
I know
inside.
about some West Side
He
pussy.
come inside twerking. He's like, she wanna be in somebody. I opened up and told her slide and. You're like, oh, this nigga nasty.
Oh shit! Damn.
You see Joe Biden with the sunglasses licking the ice cream, like,
Yeah,
yeah.
They open the door. It's just him. He looks back and shit and licks the ice cream cone. Like, yes, bitch.
I can stick her with a bar, or I drive her like a car. You're like, oh. Yo,
This nigga spin.
it's him and Obama. They're lying in the sand the way Cardi and Megan were with the snakes over each other. Yo. Oh.
Bernie Sanders comes through with the Kylie fucking cameo.
Yo. No, that's wait, that would be let me see. Shit, would that be Kanye? Like, yeah. Kanye coming through all double cheeked up.
Like, yo. Oh,
Shit.
God.
Nice.
With the
They
same
said that
vest on?
Kanye is on, what do you call it? They said that he's working with Trump to split the Joe Biden. I mean, we already knew that.
Yeah.
We already knew that. Like
He's Jill Stein in it.
Jill Stein. Jill Stein, if you don't remember who she was, she sounds like a famous R&B singer.
Yeah, hell yeah. Like
if you
the only famous Jewish R&B singer.
Yeah, you be like, yo, give Jill Stein her roses now. They're like, who is she? I was like, you don't remember the starting for Jefferson? She sung that. You're like,
Yeah,
what?
come on.
They're like, moving on up. That's Jill Stein.
A Long Walk to Temple. That was
Let's take a long walk down the street to the temple. Talking Seder, talking Passover. That's right. That's Jill Stein from Jill Stein from Philadelphia.
Live from the 215.
Live from the 215. Live from the 215, but 215 is West 215 in Riverdale. Let's take a long walk down the street to Fieldston Academy. You're like, oh, wow.
Okay. All right. We get bagels on this walk?
Actually, that's not funny. Do not joke about bagels, because I worked in Riverdale. Bro, I worked at a library. They was like, it's your lunch break. And I was like, all right, I don't know how to say this, because I got to be very careful. This is not anti-Semitic at all. This is not. I'm being very careful with my wording here. There's no stores in this neighborhood except for the bagel store. I can't eat bagels every day. Like,
that's a mad high carb diet, though.
It's mad high. Bro, like after 1 week of I'm looking at my stomach. I'm like, what the fuck is going on?
Yo, fam.
Why do I look good? And they're like, well, every day you get like a bagel with cream cheese and a piece of sour cream, a piece of Swiss cheese on it. I was like, yeah, but that wouldn't explain the weight gain. Like, it's gotta be something else.
Yeah, no, it's just a bagel.
Am I using the computer too much? Is that it? Am I sitting too close to the TV?
Fam, I remember my fucking aunt came from DR for the first time ever in life to the fucking United States of America and fucking stayed with my cousin, and she was upstate and she got breakfast for my motherfuckers, and she bought, instead of doing like a traditional Dominican breakfast, she got bagels.
Yeah.
Yo, my aunt was livid, B. She was like, yo, what the fuck is this? Like, she called my mom, and my mom put it on speaker. She was like, yo, where the fuck, why am I here? Why did y'all send me here? They got me eating hard bread. This is hard bread. This is old bread. Like, she just kept saying, like, yo, this niggas is giving me old bread.
Bro.
I was like, Titi, that's called a bagel. She's like, nah, nigga, it's old bread, nigga. It's
Bro,
old bread.
I know I've told this story before. Again, on my lunch break, going to get my bagel. Ugh. So I get the bagel, and I go back to the library, and I bite into it, and I'm like, this bagel's a little crunchier than ever. And I realized, oh, wow, because that's not the bagel. That's my fucking tooth that I just cracked in the back of my mouth off this hard-ass bagel. So now I broke my tooth, and there was no insurance or anything. So, you know, if you're in the hood, you break a tooth. Guess what? Nah, I just got a broken tooth. Gotta try not to eat on that side of my mouth for 4 years. Anyway, I go back the next day, and I'm like, yo, your bagel broke my tooth. And the guy was like, yeah, it happens. And I was like, yeah, it happens. What? Yeah, it happens. Nah. You can't be like, yo, I can't be like, yo, your bagel broke my tooth. You'd be like, it bees like that. Like, nigga. But then I'm thinking about, like, what did I expect him to do? Like, pay for my dental surgery to fix it?
Yeah,
like,
right.
It was like $1.50 bagel. Like,
listen, when you walking around feel like you got sand in your mouth because you broke your tooth on a bagel, you ask for some shit. You know what I'm saying?
Listen, if you've ever broken a tooth, you know that feeling, and then forever in the rest of your life, every now and then you do a bite and you pause because you're like, did I just do that again?
Yo.
And you could bite the softest thing, and if it's just a little pushback, you're like, yo. I was eating a gummy bear the other day, and I was like, yo.
Hold on, wait a second.
You got, yo, teeth, do a head count. They're like, yo.
Yo, you good?
Molar checking in over here. Yo, bicuspid, we in the house. I'm like,
I chipped my front tooth on a beer bottle, and I was just like, yo, like, I always constantly lick the little, it's like barely visible, but I'm always like,
you lick where it was chipped.
Yeah, and I was just like, yo, I'm glad I don't take the train anymore, because like if I made eye contact with somebody who did that, they'd be like, ew, the kid Marrow.
That was like my homegirl. I forgot how she tripped coming off the steps at 23rd Street on the 456 line, and she tripped coming off there, and she chipped her front tooth. Oof. Like. And not in one of those, hey, shorty got the cute chipped tooth. Like, damn, shorty's taking doing mad meth. That's how I'm out.
Oh.
And like we was like, yo, go to the NYU Dental Clinic. It's right there. It's like 4 blocks away. Yo, fam, they took care of her shit in a couple of hours because it's the students. They want to learn how to do shit. They hooked the shit up. But she said to this day, or she looks at her teeth, she can still see where I can't see it, but she said she can see it. But you know, that's just how shit is. Because
But
you know, like,
injuries, yo.
also, you know, if you don't have teeth or you got like fucked up teeth, you remember that even when you get a fit, because you always see it on like Queer Eye for the Straight Guy or I don't even think it's still called Queer Eye. I think it's just called Queer Eye now. But like they be hooking people up with teeth, and the people be like they still hiding their teeth before because they're not. You know, if you got fucked up choppers,
Yo.
you know how to hide them shits, bro. Like,
You be like, nigga laugh like this. Like, why your mouth look like a butthole when you laugh?
because I like Trump. I like Trump.
Yeah, 11.
Why your mouth puckering? Why your mouth puckering, bro?
Yo,
Why
keep
do
the man
I want
expensive,
why do I make sweet love to your mouth?
man. Yeah. She's obsessed with me. Damn, why am I remembering Random Lives with Tiger King? Yo, that was eons ago, dog. All this bullshit from like March feels like it was like literally 10 years ago.
It was.
Like, yo, motherfuckers being like, oh my God, they're going to cancel March Madness. This is wild, bro.
Miro, what if this was all a
simulation?
Viacom prank show and
Yo.
coronavirus is not a real thing and we just had you locked in your house? Turn around. Ashton Kutcher's behind you. Turn around, bro. You've been punked.
Dude,
Ah!
we punked you, bro. How do you feel,
Miro
man?
come out, Victor
Yo,
come
this
out,
is
Di come out,
wild. Yo,
TV,
this is-
Judd Apatow, Seth Rogen. Oh my God. Yo,
y'all got me,
Andrew
yo.
Cuomo.
Yo, nah, get the fuck out. Yo, Jesus, get the fuck out of here, yo. You
Yo,
just-
Dr.
yo.
Look, Dr. Fauci
son.
was really Eric Andre. Oh my God, this is so good.
Yo, stop playing. Y'all niggas knew? Yo, that's fucked up. Yo,
The
man,
wildest part-
Y'all got me though. Y'all got
The
me.
wildest part, this was for a Quibi show, so we're only gonna use like 7 minutes of this. So, you know, sorry.
So y'all ruined my life for
yeah, but we got content, so we gotta go. Bye.
Wow. I'm still in therapy. I'm glad you hit that shit before I said what I'm about to say. Because I ain't gonna say it about
Nigga about to burn down the house. Like, yeah. Oh my God, you just look outside. It's just like, wait a minute. How come no one's wearing masks? Every time you go outside, people put on masks. You're like, what's Truman? It's the Corona Truman Show. Whoa.
Yo, we just gave away another fantastic movie idea.
There you go. But the Truman Show still holds up because there's a lot of creepy guys out there right now who are dating women younger than them, and they're showing them the Truman Show and explaining it to them. Like, yo. So, like, you know what? It's like an allegory for the world. Like,
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Like, you think
you know,
about it, like,
people control like what you see, and like everything's an illusion, like everything's a simulation. Yeah. So
if you think about it, like, what's real?
for real. So anyway, I'm gonna go to the kitchen. I don't know if you want like another like hard cider, but I just want to point out I added a new Supreme skateboard deck to my wall.
Did you
Pretty
see it?
gnarly. All right, I have to go.
It's
bro.
just supreme.
Yeah. You know what?
Like,
Here, I'm
what?
just gonna throw on my Spotify daily mix, but I'm gonna put on daily mix number 4 because it's more acoustic. So
Yeah,
okay, just enjoy that.
I know that's
bro.
like kind of like more your speed, like, you know.
Yeah. There's some no name in there and some nonfiction, and I believe
Yeah.
that there's some Jill Stein. I heard you was vibing with that, so
Yeah.
just enjoy, bro.
Yeah.
Cool.
Some
I gotta do some oil pulling, so I'll be back in like 20 minutes.
You can sit on oil pulling. I'll be back. I'm doing cupping for 45 minutes.
Yeah. Cupping these balls, yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. Yeah. He's like, I'm doing cupping, and you just see him like with a wild trench coat heading to Port Authority, like,
Yo,
Yeah.
get ready, because here I come.
he's like, he just comes, he has his pockets. He's like, Ralph, guess what? There's $10 in the pocket. You gotta find which pocket.
Fam, I forgot where the fuck we were going when we were taking the Amtrak, and I got to the station, and when I got out of the car, there was a trash can that was literally on fire. So when I went downstairs, I told the dude, I was like, yo, there's a trash can on fire, like right outside. It was a cop, and he's like, the fuck you want me to do?
Bro, that happened to be, it was Penn Station. Penn Station, where you get on the 2 train, there's just like copious amounts of water just gushing from the vent, and it's like the platform is soaked. You can't even stand there. So I'm like coming out, and I tell like one of the MTA cars, I was like, yo, there's mad water like gushing out the fucking vent. And he's like, so?
I'm like, nigga, I don't know. Get on the radio, tell somebody.
Would you ever notice when the cops say so, they look at you in a way like, get the fuck away from me, or
Like,
I'm
yo,
gonna arrest
fam,
you.
like,
And
we're
I'm
not gonna talk
"Aight."
about this shit anymore. Get
was
the
like,
fuck
"Aight."
out of here. I was like, okay, fine, fuck it. I was expecting it, like the next day, like Madison Square Garden burns to the ground.
Oh, I remember one time when I worked at the library, I had to go from the library 42nd Street to the library at 34th Street. and I was running really late. I was holding a CD because we had that's how we were transferring files for some reason. And as I got to one of the intersections, the same thing. The trash can was on fire, just burning out of control. I don't know what was in it, just out of control. Everyone was standing around looking at it, but nobody stopped. And then when the light changed, we all just continued because New Yorkers are too busy to deal with shit like that. Like everyone in New York is like, yo, I hope someone handles that, but I got other shit going on.
I got my own fires to put out, pal.
Exactly. It's like when you see someone pass out on the subway, you're like, my heart goes out to them, but gotta go. You know what I'm saying? Make a good time. Gotta close this red ring on my Apple Watch. Gotta go.
The most I'm doing is tapping a nigga on the shoulder on the way out. Like, yo.
Yeah, I do that a lot.
Last stop, dog. Yo, I seen you get on Spring Street, nigga. We in Pelham Bay Park.
Bro, I was going to the supermarket, and this shorty was a dope fiend, and she was knocked the fuck out on the floor. Out cold. or dope fiend cold. So I did the New York thing. I was like, yo, you good? And she ain't responded. I was like, I guess not. I just kept walking. Like, I don't know what I do past that.
I ain't touching, like,
I tried.
I might be a dead body, nigga. I ain't touching this shit.
And then what am I supposed to do? Nudge her with my foot? And she gonna be like, what the fuck you kicking me for? And I was like, I was trying to see if he was alive.
Then you on security cam, like kicking his kicking. Yo, nah.
It don't end well. It does not end well.
They spin that shit real bad. They speed it up so it looks like you really kicking her. Like,
and nothing is worse. Let me tell you, this is my number one pet peeve in the hood. When you try to help a dope fiend, you check on them and they get mad at you. Why you help? Yo, I'm good. Leave me alone. Why you touching me?
What the fuck, bro?
What the fuck?
Don't touch me, bro.
Yo, fam, you just nodded out in the middle of an intersection for 5 minutes. Cars are just circling around you.
So what? I'll go, it's my spot. I'll do every day. No, you don't touch me.
I'm like, what?
Don't touch me.
In your head, you're like, yo, I could knock you out right now. If I wanted to, I could knock you out. You don't know where you're at. You know, and they're all hostile. You're like, you know what? I'm gonna let the heroin deal with you. Good day, sir. Right.
Yo, niggas just be, niggas.
Because there was a dope fiend. Another one was because there's a lot of them now in the BX. It's not anything to do with coronavirus. I think it's just summer. But
yeah,
it was another dope fiend. She was passed out over on a couple blocks away from me. That's wild, desolate. You know what I'm saying? There's unless I walk by there with my dog, no one's walking by there. She's knocked out on her back. You know what I'm saying? To the world, anything could happen. And I'm like, yo, Ma, you can't. And she's like, I'm all right. I'm like, you were just taking a wild nap in the middle of the street. You were not all right.
You're not okay.
Maybe this is your definition of all right. This is not the average definition of all right.
This is not what Kendrick meant.
Okay.
Like, at all.
I got knocked out on the street. No. Oh. Also, shout out to the dope fiend that had they had their Android phone in their hand, and I was watching. I was like, wow, she's gonna drop it. Did not drop it.
Yo.
Did a full nod out and got back on. I was like,
yo, I'm telling you.
Yo, if you like this, live stream, press here to like and subscribe, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, click here.
Yo, Dolphin will will Swiffer the sidewalk with the bill of their cap and not fall over, dog. Like, it is incredible.
I do yoga, and some of the yoga teachers cannot go into positions I've seen dope fiends go into.
Nope.
It's
on a moving train.
Impossible. It's physically impossible.
Fam,
oh my God.
I think I said it on episode 22 or some shit like that. I was like, yo, the wildest shit I ever seen was a dope fiend leaning from 14th Street to Astor Place when the 6 train does that wild turn. That if you're not from New York and you're not ready for that shit, you falling down.
You fall down, yeah.
Yo, dope fiend not holding on to Nathan. Full lean, not like acute angle lean. Hit that curve, perfect balance. I'm like, yo, if dope fiend seems to be scared. I'm surprised there's not more dope fiend skateboarders.
Because they sell the skateboards for dope. Like,
in parts. Like, I'm selling you wheels and the bearings different, bro. I can't sell you the complete, bro. I got it from Spike Jones.
Bro, it's sabotaged, bro. It's sabotaged,
bro. It's a special edition girl skateboards deck, bro.
Oh God, dope fiends.
Yeah, for love, oh yeah.
We're doing a song. Boney Ghost has a song called "Dope Fiends." It's a romantic song. Yes. It's about how I don't know. We'll write it later.
Yeah.
So Boney Ghost is like us. They write all their songs before they perform.
Exactly.
Or on the stage.
Right on stage.
Like. Yeah.
Bang.
Like,
you know what I'm saying?
Girl, I love your WAP. It doesn't feel like crap.
No.
After sex, I give you dap. Hey.
Yeah. Mon might
Hey.
say that the whap slaps. Oh,
Whap slaps, whap slaps.
yeah.
We are the Whap Pap. Whap Whap.
Whap, 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 whap.
I love it. I love it. It's the trombone solo. It's a trombone solo.
The
The crowd's just going wild, like, yeah! Yeah! Go in, Mero! Mero, go in!
Yeah! I'm doing the fucking Deion Sanders like high leg kick while I'm playing the trombone and shit. Like,
Yes, it's great. I'm juggling on a unicycle with Red Dragon, with Red Panda. Like,
niggas juggling violins and playing them at the same time.
have you ever had some serious wood? People in the audience are sitting there with their arms folded. They're like, I'm not even here for this. You know what I'm here for. And I'm like, I know what you guys are here for. Time for the voice. And you just see Victor with the megaphone like, ah! He gets knocked down. But he gets up again. Everyone's like, yeah! Yeah, it's the voice.
Mad titties come out.
Yo. All these articles about how Victor is the highlight of the show when the voice comes out. It's the wild photo on the New York Times. It's Victor with like his hand on his chin, like, hey.
Yo, I'll pull out my Steve Jobs pose quick. Let's do a spotlight.
Just want to say, now niggas gonna do the Tupac shit with the jewelry in the bathtub. Like, yo,
Yeah.
but Nilsey, but with the tip of the dick poking out. Like, yo. So you know that boy got some
Everyone's
meat.
gonna be like, wait a minute, Victor wears a turtleneck romper? I was like, yeah. They're custom. Yes, there's snaps on the crotch. He's very smart. Let him
Yo,
cook.
listen,
Let him cook.
he knows.
Okay?
He knows.
He knows.
I bought one yesterday because I know if he got it, I'm gonna need it somewhere in the future.
We can't even get in contact with Victor. Victor, like, we're like, yo, he's not answering his phone. We got all these bad ideas. He gotta stop us. Go on Instagram. Victor just chilling in the back with Alexander Wang and Kim Kardashian. It's like, what's going on?
Well, maybe not
What?
Alexander.
Hey, I saw that.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah. You know, just throw that name out there. Sometimes you gotta, throw a name out there, and
On that.
hopefully, it doesn't resonate. But yeah, God's working on all of this.
Yo, already on horses and shit like that.
Yo, that's what. Listen, the Bodega Boys have never taught you anything. If you lower your voice and just mutter, you'll get out a lot of things. You'll be like,
Oh, hell yeah.
You know,
Come on, baby.
correction ain't punishment. I was just getting checks, bro. You know what I'm saying?
Come on, I was just trying to get out I live, baby. I was just trying to get out the mud. You know what I'm saying?
That's, you know what I'm saying? From the rooter to the toot. I was just telling you what it is, baby. Just telling you what it is. You know what I'm saying? You gotta go through me, but you gotta go through somebody. And if you are somebody, you gotta go through me. So that's just what it is, baby. You know what I'm saying? Listen, I tell you like I told Herman Cain, nigga, you good?
And it goes like, I think it was just like dot.
Where you at? For my Herman, rest in peace, Herman Cain, the 999 God out here.
Yo, triple
Boom,
nines.
boom. Tell me what you're gonna do. No place to hide. Corona come for you. You know. I miss my Uncle Herman Cain. Ayo.
And I gotta get some pizza, y'all. And I gotta get some pizza, y'all.
Living in this world with a 999 plan. Living in this world.
999 plan. It's 1999.
Also, shout out to Tupac and Bone Thugs making one of the hardest songs ever. How smack you had to be? They was like, yo, what's the bass on this song? They was like, it's a gun cocking. He was like,
Yeah.
Shit, nigga.
Yeah.
They was like, that's very aggressive.
Yeah. I just remember Crazy Bones lying, a motherfucker with a leather face. Hey.
Yeah. But you know when they were in the studio and they were like, we're gonna blow your minds. We're gonna blow your mind, Mr. Sound Engineer. The bass is a gun cocking. And it was like I once cocked a gun on Richard Nixon.
That's
You
right.
guys, this is nothing.
Dolly Parton cocked a gun and shot me in the eye in the middle of a session.
Grace Jones once penetrated my anus with a 45. I just seen everything but Christ, boy. I tell you, these are the same jeans I had on when JFK's blood got splashed on them. Lord, it's everything, bro. You know, it's nothing. Yeah, that's right. I used to finger pop Jackie O. It was no big deal.
Hey,
It was
no
in
big
Studio
deal. You know what I'm
54,
saying?
and,
You know what I'm saying? Hey.
You You're just talking to them. They're like, what do they call you? They're like, oh, my name is PJ, but I mean, in the 80s, they used to call me Cocaine Cow. You're like, all right.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah,
You want to see something? You want to see something? Now look at this burn on my foreskin because I put so much coke on. You're like, wow, okay.
Wow,
all right,
wow. I didn't want. I didn't want to see that. I don't want to see that at all. I didn't. Well, let's go back to Jackie Onen, man, because she gave me a handy, but JFK got the toppy, if you know what I mean.
Yeah, he got the wild toppy. Oh, listen, he got that wet ass toppy, if you know what I'm talking about. Oh,
Yeah.
shit, you know what I'm saying? It's wild. Listen, I got so many. I got so many stories. I don't even know where to begin. Let me tell you. Back in, I want to say, 1982. I was fucking this broad. Her husband was a loser ass named Artie that repaired VCRs. Just sad. I think his last name was the Journal or something. Let me tell you, like her mouth. Ooh, Lord, I felt like Max Headroom. She was just sucking on me.
Oh
good.
man.
You know how? Remember? I remember. Maybe baby Jessica fell in that well. Well,
Ooh.
let me tell you, when she got out. So did I, if you know what I'm talking about.
Hey.
All right, I was blowing her back out while we was watching Dynasty. It was a
You
good
got that
time,
right
baby.
there. Ooh,
Good
goddamn.
time, baby. Yeah, I remember one time I was like, whose pussy is this? And she said, Oliver North, and we just laughed. Oh, Lord. Good times. But anyway, we don't need to pick up on, Lloyd Banks, we don't need to pick up on those vocals. We're going to need to isolate those right there. You pick up where you said you're hotter than the phone in front of the bodega. That was a good line there, brother. That was a good line.
I ain't a wrestler, but I put your bitch in the Boston Crab. You know what I'm saying?
I remember 1976. I had a bad case of Boston Crab. Oh, Lord. Let me tell you, like, listen, they were coming out my
Hey,
urethra.
man, can I finish my verse? I got 138 more balls to go.
Okay, you know what? Just listen, it's
I got
early.
45 punchlines. I ain't touched that.
Listen,
That's why, your shit ain't gonna never pop like 10 gold change. That's why your bitch blowing on me like Nintendo games. You know what I'm saying? I got bars. You know what I'm saying? I got bars.
What a cultural reference. Okay, I gotta stop now because listen, I'm recording with doing some acoustic stuff with James Dolan, so I don't really got time for this bullshit.
Yeah,
You know?
straight bullets to burn a nigga sideburns off.
Okay, well,
I don't know why that show is hilarious.
best of luck to you, Mr. Banks.
Well, I was like, imagine burning a nigga sideburns off of bullets.
That would be offended.
Yo,
That's like,
shit that
what was his name?
Like with gun shit. Like, they just talked about guns in like comical ass ways. Like, I remember the Sheik Luch line where he was like, "I got bullets that fly around your head like bees," and I just like, just picturing that. Like, why would you want to do that? Isn't a bullet just supposed to hit you and like body you? Like,
That's like, you
why
remember the
why is
rapper-
it flying around my head?
Remember the rapper Chi Ali
Yes.
back in the day?
I'm
Remember,
your
it's like-
wallet strapped like Chi Ali.
Yes, because
Luda.
Chi Ali was doing wild shit, and I remember that a guy from shout out to Valley. I'm making it mad hot. If you guys know what I'm talking about. A guy from Valley. He was a goon, but he was like a pretty goon, and him and Chi Ali got into it. Allegedly, it's not allegedly. I'm just covering my ass here. And Chi Ali slashed his face in the club.
Oof.
With a box cutter. But the guy that got a face slash, he was offended because he was like, it was like a bitch cut. Because he was like, if he had done like the long one, he would have had like the wild cool scar. And it made him cuter. He was like, yo, he did like the wild frantic shit. The shit's just scabbing up. It's whack. So that's to say, remember guys, if you're going to $150 someone, do it with love.
Yeah. Don't 75 cents somebody. $150 somebody.
Hi, y'all. We're the Bodega Boys. We're here to talk to you about something important.
$150s. If you're going to $150 somebody, make sure you grab that box cutter tight and go all the way.
That's right. If you're going to do $150, make it worth 100. You know what I'm saying? Sincerely,
right.
the Bodega Boys.
That's
also,
right, yo.
be sure in this pandemic, in these unprecedented times, be sure to wash your hands after you cut a motherfucker open.
That's right. And dip your plate in rubbing alcohol that's at least 90% pure alcohol.
I'm like, yeah.
That's
send that. I'm like, send that. All right, that's done and done. Send that to Sherry. Okay.
Ding dong with the good.
we have fulfilled our requirements for the Viacom CBS celebrity update. Yes. Okay. It's like Doug Heffernan before us. He was like, hey, in these unprecedented times, you want to stay safe. You want to stay indoors. We're like, cut a nigga's face. They're like,
Yeah.
Read books with your kids. Like,
Don't
pay more
over
than,
the roof.
you know what I'm saying? Don't pay more than $38 for a brick. They're like, what? They're like, what? They're like, the email was mad vague. They was like, yeah, just give people like life advice that would help them through these times. I was like, yo, like, if you put something Like the cameras in the Target self checkout ain't that good. You know what I'm
Yeah.
saying? Yeah.
Everything's bananas, if you know what
There
I'm
you
saying.
go. There you
know
go.
what I'm saying?
And the next
Yo.
person's like, write a letter to your mother. You know, visit, FaceTime with some friends. Do a Zoom party. I'm like,
Yo, cut your cocaine with Ajax, yo, to stretch it way more longer.
Yo,
B12
start
is
a race-
expensive.
You'll start a race war in your building. Tell them the Latinos can only use one staircase. Everyone else got to use the other. Yeah.
Nigga said that shit to Rakus.
I'm like, yo,
verse.
Aryans can only check their mail at 4 p.m. I repeat, Aryans can only check their mail at 4 p.m. Lock in. Okay? Also,
K-Slay.
Also, the exterminator will be coming on the second Tuesday of the month. If you would like him to come to your apartment, please add your name to the paper below. Thank you.
Word. In blood. Oh, it's not valid.
And the exterminator comes through. He's like, "Listen, I'm not really exterminator. Like literally, I took the bus here.
Yeah.
This canister's been empty for 2 years. Like I have no idea what we're doing.
Nigga comes in with 2 little packets of Tempo and like a chancleta. Like, yo, I'm gonna do my best.
He's like, "Oh, you got rats? Okay, let me see what I can do. Get out of here! All right, you
Go
should be
away.
good for 2 months.
Go
I'll see
away.
you next month. I'll see you." They're like, "Oh, you want me to do something? Okay, I'm gonna sit here. I'm gonna pretend I'm a piece of cheese. Squeak, 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 squeak. All right, I don't see no rats here. Okay, you're good." And there's a world where
I don't see no vermin.
we're exterminators, and ooh, we're so bad. Ooh, we are so bad. We do the minimum. Think about it, we're exterminators. All we're doing is like fucking chicks in their apartments, smoking weed.
Yeah.
Shit. Should we quit the show and
also-
become exterminators?
Maybe, because that is one of the biggest rackets in the world, dog. Like, bugs don't just like permanently go away. Like, if you live in a city, like, you're gonna have bugs at some point. Like,
Well, that's the thing. We got to be extreme exterminators.
yeah.
So like, if
Like
we go
burn the
to
house
someone's, no, like if we go to a house and there's like a mouse, like we're like, all right, cool.
I
And
bet
then
put the Draco out.
No, when the mouse gets back to his house, like the mouse, you know, like he stole cheese and shit. He's talking to his wife. He's like, yeah, like, oh, Miro, his kids, they left like crackers on the table. I stole
got
some
'em.
cheese. Had a good day here, and then you just hear like a knock on the mouse's door,
Who's that? Who's that?
and then an envelope
door?
that slides underneath, and it's us, and we got like guns to like the mouse's mother, the mouse's sister, the mouse's cousin and shit. We're like, yo, on God, if I see
babies?
you in Miro, on God,
Pink and shit, like.
yeah. Yo, on God, my nigga, if you run across Miro's countertop again, everyone's dying. All right? All right?
That nigga
Right?
opens another envelope. There's a tail in it. He's like, no.
Yeah. All right? You understand, Mickey? All right?
Stand his tail.
We going to war with Mickey. We gotta send him the wild video. We fucked up Goofy. He's like, they're not fucking around.
They're not playing, Mickey.
I just punched Goofy in the ribs. Like, shut the fuck up.
He's like,
Mickey, I'm pissing blood. Like, yo.
he's watching and she slams his fist on the desk. He's like, these niggas think I'm pussy.
Oh, that's right. Deez Mero versus
Muska, Mickey Mouse.
He's standing on top of Ed Costello with the Draco, like, I run the Magic Kingdom. I run the
right.
Magic Kingdom.
Who I rap with me? Nigga just dives off the Epcot Center into a giant pile of coke.
I am Bumbleclot Mickey Mouse, the wickedest mouse dundada.
Nigga just start letting the AK off in the air, like, yeah.
Mickey puts mad money on our head. He's like, yo, I don't know where they are. Anywhere in the world. I want them dead. I want
right.
them for Bumbleclot dead. He got the
Yo.
mouse spit coming out.
Yeah. And then Kawhi Leonard sticks his head out the window. He's like, hey. Y'all being
But what
loud. I
Mickey
got
does-
practice.
But what Mickey doesn't realize, me and Meryl's been chilling all this time. In Epcot Center, in the little area that they made look like England, we've turned it into Top Boy. He's like, yo, where's the peace, bro?
Yeah, bro.
Where's the peace,
Mad
bro?
knife crime, bro.
Yo, Pluto, come over here. Your count was light, bruv. Miro,
Hey, bro,
knife crime.
Knife crime.
Knife crime.
Why isn't there a group called Knife Crime? Like, that's
Because-
such a layup. That's like Gunner, Lil Baby.
For the same reason, there's no group in America called lynching. Okay? Knife crime is very serious in England. It's very curious. Okay?
Oh shit! So let me take a mass shooting off my potential group name list.
Okay?
Yo, chill.
Woo! Knife crime, stabbing niggas in their gut, killing through my lines, stabbing up your abdomen.
Oh fuck! We gotta go. We gotta go. We gotta go with that one.
Miro's not joking. I'm looking out my window. Apparently, NYPD is outside. ATF.
Boom, boom, boom. Open the door. ATM. We gotta go. We gotta beep Carlos.
Oh God. Oh no, we're really in trouble. We're really in trouble.
Oh, fuck.
Oh shit. Guess who else is outside?
Oh, no.
Interpol, and they're saying turn on the bright lights.
Oh,
Yo,
Stella!
there we go. It's been your boys, the Bodega Boys. Another one in the books. Episode 214 of the most illustrious and well-referenced podcast in the world, okay? And some of y'all going to have to Google what we said, but you know what? It's
That's
worth
right.
it. Oh, expand your third eye, bro.
Yeah. You know what I'm saying?
As always, it's been your boy. You know what we need to do? Not this week, but in 2 weeks, me and Miro are doing a Bollywood version of the AKA. And
ready. It's going to be lit.
I'm not just talking about lyrically. We're going to be dancing in the streets with people.
Yo.
It's going to be great.
Yo,
We're basically
gonna be
doing
flipping over cars, all that.
We're doing Slumlord Millionaire, but it's just called Dumb Lord. I guess.
Yeah.
There you go. Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
We're working on it.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
It's still R&D, but you know what I'm saying? We're doing
Yeah,
it.
we're workshopping. Yo, it's your boy D's Nice, aka Young Chipotle, aka Pocket Stay Fat like Terrio, aka Pocket Stay Fat like here we go. Because listen, we gotta keep it clean for when
That's
me and Miro host season 2 of Floor is Lava. You know what I'm saying?
Yo,
you guys
need that.
You guys want that? You guys want that?
You want us. You want us. To.
Or you know maybe James Corbin moves to take Ellen's show and you're gonna need someone to, you know, host Carpool Karaoke, which already is a Viacom CBS platform. So you know you wouldn't have to shift the numbers on the forums, baby.
You know what I'm saying?
Just take us out of one database, put us in the other. You know what I'm saying?
Just slide it right over.
Right there. You know what I'm saying? Right there. That's what we call corporate synergy. Some of them might know you, bitch. Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Fuego, Mr. Nando's with a rondo. And she's a rondo, meaning she's a bird. So that means that she's not wearing a mask, which means after this, we're going to go to her council estate and I'm going to get in her wet ass fanny.
In a fanny.
In her wet ass fanny.
Wow.
1994, me kept going off the Juve boss.
That's right.
MC Gungapi. I like to point out that maybe 90% of my AKAs cannot be accomplished because of social distancing and or corona. It's very sad.
That's fine.
Like, it's like, look, put up for 40 with your shorty. No, I can't.
Well, I mean, if she's 40 feet away from you.
But then that's not the flex. The flex is pulling up with your shorty. Okay? I'm pulling up. I pull up
Oh, but
with
if
your
she's
shorty.
40 feet behind you, like, yo,
Nah, bro, because you want me to. I gotta hit a 40-foot shot. While I got my arm around your girl. That's what makes it so disrespectful.
Yeah.
And then everyone's like, wow, he's not even playing. He wasn't even in the game.
Wow, he just ran on the court and did that.
How did he get the ball? You can't
How?
do that no more. He can't even do that no more.
Damn, dog.
Sad.
You hate to say
Sad.
it. No more running on public on NBA courts.
No more running on NBA courts. Well, other niggas, girls. Dr. Fauci said to do that. He was like, if you're gonna run on NBA courts, do not run with other girls.
It's not really safe or wise to run on an NBA court in the bubble with somebody's shorty. You know, it's not advisable. I wouldn't advise.
Don't do that. Don't do that, bro.
I'd advise
It's not-
against it.
I cannot. Listen, it's not safe on the block. Not even for the cops.
Not even for the cops.
Okay. Packs, I sold them. Had them buzzing on the road. Crack
That's right.
residues on the button.
That's right.
On my phone. Black leather boots when I run into your home.
Oh,
Ring, ring, pussy.
it's your
It's your
mommy,
mommy on the phone. Thank you, Dr. Fauci.
Yo, Fauci, that nigga spinning.
Grind boys in, grind boys in. Fauci's a grind boy? Wow.
Wow.
Wow. Grind boy's a grind boy. Grind boy's Fauci. Hey, don't talk to me in the Uber pool because I don't know you. And guess what? There's more Uber pools because Uber pools are completely unsafe. And shout out to all the Uber drivers that do kind of a heavy sigh because they have to put the face mask on because you got on the car. And I was like, why don't you just leave it on for the whole time you're driving? But you know
Get
what?
used to it?
That's you. That's you. And yes, you have the air conditioning on. I'm still cracking this window. Get over it.
Sorry.
Get over it.
Sorry.
That's it.
Not
Precious
recycling
cargo right here.
droplets.
Precious cargo. Okay. All right. Shit. The reason why plus also I'm not getting in an Uber pool, so I don't know.
Nah.
What I do now, I just order Ubers, and when they come to my building, I just have conversations with the drivers. I'm like, hey, how's it going?
Yo, honestly, like the price difference was not that great to begin with. So I'm just like, yo, for an extra $1, nigga, like
No, Uber right now in New York is stupid because everything is a surge. And every time they're like, back in the day in New York, you'd be like, oh, your Uber here in 2-3 minutes. They'd be like, yo, your Uber's coming in 45 minutes. What you gonna do about it? Because you
What's
don't even
up?
have a car, stupid.
fucking bozo.
What you gonna do? Walk? Look, there's no more city bikes available.
You tight.
Matter of fact, you know what?
Dumbass scooters too. Stupid.
Matter of fact, to really fuck with you, we just gonna make your Uber car spin on the map. Now you don't know what direction it's going in.
You don't even know. And we still
now you
doing
mad.
holiday shit. Stupid. We putting the Batman wings on this stupid shit.
Also, good. Look, it's been 5 minutes. If you cancel now, we're gonna charge you. Oh, you tight. You tight.
How you feel? How you feel?
They're like, you want Uber, Uber Black, or Uber Diamond? Guess what? It doesn't matter. It's a pandemic. It's all the same fucking car.
Eat a dick.
Like, this sucks.
Enjoy your Honda
Hey,
Fit,
fair.
stupid.
They're like, go ahead, use Lyft. And you don't even want to touch that whack icon. You're like, yeah, you're right.
You thought.
You're right. They're like, you don't want to get in a car that got wild pink for no reason. What is this, Cameron?
How you feel? Takashi is the driver. He picks you up.
They're like, yo, you really gonna get in a car that used to have a furry mustache on its hood as its logo?
Word?
You're like,
Word?
points are being raised. Points are being raised.
It's like Dame Dash is the CEO of Uber.
Remember at South by Southwest where we went to that party, but we didn't have money for a Lyft, but some kids, shout out to Bodega Hive, that paid for our Lyft, and it was our first time ever in a Lyft, and we were asking her mad questions about the mustache and shit.
Yo.
And then we got to the event, which was mad far outside of Austin. They dubbed the kids that took us there. They was like, yo, they could get in, but you guys can't, and they were fine with it.
They're like, yo, peace. They're like, yo, it's an honor to share a Lyft for you.
They was like, I can't believe we shared a Lyft with you. We was like, what the? And in my head, I was like, how the fuck we getting back? Anyway, I was like, yo, we are in trouble. We don't know. Oh, shit.
It's fucked up. But we
Oh, shit, this Hannibal.
like, yo,
I was like, oh, shit, Hannibal Buress. All right, later, niggas.
peace.
We good.
We good. We're here with Mick
What up,
Jenkins.
famous nigga? We hanging with you. Yo, DJ Rossi, the Jamaican Jew, Jermaine Avocado Toast, Young Pa. You know what I'm saying? The Gusta Mufasa, Young Chakuni, Rata Coonery, aka Chili Ramon, left-handed reliever for the Yankees. Que lo que? Hey, Papi, we don't got to break bubble, but you know, one of the mates, she said we could break her bubble. So,
That's cool. It's nice.
I ain't get tested, but she's testing my patience, if you know what I'm saying. You know, you do everything.
Hey, I'm going to have
there
to
you
do
go.
something.
Hey, there you go. Put a little flaboso on your dick. It works. Hey, Three Phone Joes, DJ Machina, Jay Chuckle, Stanley Cups, the Humor Dr. Bond, able dilute for a third time. Leonardo DiCaprio, Mr. 240p, because like my Pinot, blurry and nasty and sucio. And I like when the comments, you're like, why does this thing have 47 comments? It's like, because this was posted in 2004. You like, nasty. Oh, wow.
yeah.
Oh, wow. So Shorty's a grandmother now. Even better.
Ooh, she's doing real estate in Tampa? All right.
I respect it. Let me send her a contact through the contact me form that's gonna fuck up her day. Oh yeah. Up next, we got
It's your motherfucking boy, the kid.
DJ Woolites.
You know what I'm saying? Oh, shit. Oh, shit. I thought you said up next.
Up next, we got DJ Woolite, aka you're listening to Washed FM. Today, we're paying special homage to whom? Nonfiction, the New York-based hip-hop group with Ill Bill. You know
That's
what I'm
right.
saying? Black Helicopters.
That's
they have a
right.
song with DJ Premier, Rock Stars. You know what I'm saying? Arsonists. Shout out to Nonfiction. I'm sure most of you either are CEOs or execs at Vice or at Showtime. So, you know, good to see you. Thanks for your... Shout out to y'all. Y'all made hardcore white boy rap. It was very confusing to me as a Bronx resident and racist at the time. So thank you.
You know what I'm saying?
It was
Appreciate y'all. You know what I'm saying? And
I'm still getting over that whole thing about like being like, yo, white people can't rap because they can sometimes. Let me tell you,
something.
I was listening to Logic the other day. I was like, technically speaking, he's an incredible rapper. Technically speaking.
Yeah.
Technically speaking.
Yeah.
Technically.
Technically speaking, you know, my
Technically
garage
speaking-
door is bigger than my house door.
Technically speaking, Mike Trout is doing amazing numbers.
Yeah.
Have you ever gotten home like I can't wait to watch Mike Trout? No.
Fam, you could put like Mike Trout could beat the shit out of me at a Target. I could press charges, and they could show me a lineup, and I would not be able to pick Mike Trout out of the lineup.
Bro, they showed a Mike Trout home run the other day, and I was like, what is this? Why?
Who is this guy?
Who is this guy?
I always,
Is he famous?
And this is not even a joke. I swear to you, I confuse him all the time with the dude that used to be a major leaguer, Tim Salmons.
Oh wow, I can see that.
Because
I can definitely see that.
He had one of them, like he had, like, and he's
Yeah.
famous for that one play, like where he caught the ball without looking. But Salmon Trout.
Also, you know who disappeared? Who was like super hot, and then not super hot in like a hot way, but was like a really good baseball player just disappeared. Tim Lincecum, remember him? The freak.
Yo, out of
Yo,
nowhere.
he used to, out of nowhere. He came out of nowhere, was sick, was killing it, and just disappeared because he got washed. They said, and like his arm fell off. But yo, shout out to Tim. I remember I was sitting at some random bar and like he was playing and he was really good. And I was like, hey, that kid's good. That kid's good. He needs to cut his fucking hair, but he's good, bro.
Well, there he goes. So
He would never. He'd never be a Yankee.
Future.
He'd never be a Yankee with hair like that. I tell you that. The boss would never
I'll tell
allow
you that
that.
much.
Yeah, rest in
Maybe
peace,
a-
George Steinbrenner.
Maybe a New York Metropolitan.
Whoa, bro, no slurs, please, bro. Bro, let me tell you something. After this, I gotta go.
Talk.
Bro, after this, I gotta go home, and let me tell you, the way my wife's been looking lately, I want to cesspit this. You know what I'm saying? That's the new term for like dating someone. You're like, yo, I had to cesspit this. That
You had to assess for this and shorty, yo. You know what I'm saying? It was a
yo, that job was stressing me OD. They're talking about 9 a.m. meetings. I gotta sleep till 6. I told them niggas to cesspit this.
Yo.
Bro, cesspit.
Cesspit 2020, motherfucker.
Yo. Bro, you heard what happened to Herman Cain? He cesspitist.
Yo, that sounds like the word for dying. Like some wild, like if you're in a thesaurus, like
sorry,
cesspitist. Oh wow.
We tried so hard. We were 6 hours of surgery. But we gave him non-blood transfusion. Yeah. We gave him a new heart, and it just didn't work. And he's cesspitist.
He's cesspitist, but it was painless.
It was painless.
So at least you could take solace in the fact that he's cesspitist in peace. Yeah.
If you want to go and just go look at the body, go through his pockets.
Yeah.
Maybe go through his phone, see if he has any nude stuff out there. Now's the time.
Go ahead, do it. Just don't ride a horse.
Yo, here we go. These Meister, Jamal Hasbro, the Bronx Celine Dion, Ray, nephew, the Moreno, you can't contain, the human mimic with your jaw. York Aaron, the racist provocateur, head with blood cross, nasty. Nelson Bangdella, Sergio can't see me, Vladimir Boofin. Vladimir got that wet ass boofing.
Yeah, that wop.
Yeah.
That wop.
That wop. I got that wop. I got that wop. Excuse me, my nose is running for that coca. No.
Yeah.
Even the weather's melting in your mouth.
Coca plant.
Mr. Beck's on deck, bro. Bro.
Yeah.
Bro.
Good. Yeah, you good, bro?
Bro,
just
think about
bro. Listen, bro. If I dip the cigarette in the tip of the cigarette in the baggie,
embalming fluid, fluid, bro.
It's like a little, yeah, bro. It's a good counterbalance, you know.
Bro. Think about this. Like, bro. I can't say it. Victor's on the line, but listen. If we take our money, we invent a candy called Later and Now. You know what I'm saying, bro?
Yeah,
bro. We corner the market. Bro.
Yeah,
like people want now laters, but what if you don't want it now?
What if you want it later?
Exactly, bro.
What if you want it later? Or
bro,
what if you had it? Somebody had it now.
Yeah.
And now it's yours later, so it's like pre-chewed.
Exactly, and now it's vintage. It's vintage, bro.
Boom.
Selling at vintage stores.
It could be like Cameo, bro. This was chewed by Jesus Nice. This was chewed by the Kid Mero. This was chewed by Victor Lopez. This was chewed by Ansel Elgort.
Only chews. Wow.
Woo!
Wait, even better.
Now
only
we're talking.
Only chewed by Jews.
Oh yeah.
We get famous Jewish celebrities to chew on matzo bread and get delivered to your house.
Yeah.
Oh, bro.
Then they baby bird it to you.
Bro, I'm sorry to do this to you, bro. There's no way the house you have right now can hold all the money we're about to make. I'm sorry,
bro. Shit.
4 days later. Oh, Jesus fucking Christ.
Shit.
So Victor,
Yo, you know that uncle that you introduced us to when we went down to do when we were touring in Colombia?
Yeah.
Long
story short, the candy has
that dude's real. Like, I don't know if you tell stories, but like he's real. But that's what else you got, bro.
Bro, I mean, I don't want to point any fingers, but I feel like it's Miro. I feel like it's Miro's fault that the candy had fentanyl in it. Like,
I mean, I was just trying to, give it a little extra, a little extra depth.
Bro, you didn't have to put your foot in it, bro. I mean,
I do what I can and I care what I do.
Listen, it's not all negative. Like, you killed a fuckload lot of people, bro. But it was bad.
But it's there's a warning on the label.
Exactly. So anyway, Victor, you think this is gonna, affect our relationship with Showtime? I mean, you think that, like mass murder, is that like against our contract?
It was an accident.
I mean, you saw what Don Cheadle did in Rwanda, like how they let him get away with that, bro.
Yeah, come on, bro. Come
I
on.
know that last one.
Hit it.
Was Hotel Rwanda good? Was Hotel Rwanda good?
Huh?
You gotta check it out. I never
So
saw it.
good. So good. He won an award for it. It's really good.
Yeah,
Check it
that's
out.
Really good.
I think they show it on Showtime every now and then. They probably. So,
No, he's
you know,
really good in it. He's really good.
He's fantastic in it. Listen, Mahatma Gandhi, say what you said, not Mahatma Gandhi, not Maggie people like I like you. Come by.
Yeah.
Use the press, but your boy never is. I am the art. Damn it, done dada Ganoush. No, my cup of noodles, Prince of Peckham. William It's a fashion Nova Casanova. William H. 10, 5 cents, 10 cents, dollar. Forget the small change. Give me big money wine. Panakaki. The only anthem I salute is Dipset. Mrs. Squagger, catch me at square one, top left, man's is more.
Hey, don't cheese me, bro.
I
That's
won't-
proper.
I
That was
won't-
cheese, bro.
Listen, I refuse to cheese.
I won't
refuse to
cheese. Don't cheese me, eh?
Yo, rest in peace, Canadian Drake. He's dead. Never coming back. It's just Jamaican, Dominican, and Arabic Drake now.
Yeah,
So,
that's it.
Shout out to him.
He's like Hamzi Abda. I was like, yo,
Yeah.
does that even mean anything, my guy?
I was like, my man, how did you just make curry mofongo fucking
hummus.
hummus? Like, yo, it's too much. You got too much chip on your dip. Children's doing a holy cow. Mrs. Top Post, all I do is count checks and jerk off. I got OJ Purple Stuff Soda, and it's me, Sonny D. Yeah. David Uriman, these expensive, these red bottles, these bloody shoes. Woo.
Yeah.
Smokeem Noah, Andrew Cunanan, aka the Junior Energy God Junior, come sit down by me, charger. Kobe Petco, because I got your bitch on freeze. Top of Gossip and Sayasa, shout out to the 11791. Shout out to Dream Doll, who has a new song that's literally the hook is So,
okay.
listen, nothing but classics. Nothing but classics. She's like, he in the club, he's the dub, he gonna And I was like, wow, that's a classic right there.
Okay,
That would have been a. You know what? That's actually a Corona banger because that's definitely a song you'd hear outside with people who are not social distancing or wearing masks. If you have broken any kind of
1,000,000%.
rule, like if you share a hookah, people who listen to that song, they're licking masks and passing them around. Like that's the kind
man.
of the level they're on.
Yo, let
Like,
me hold your mask, yo, just so they let me in.
Yo, yeah, exactly. They just
put it back. Yo, pass it back.
They pass it back like a fake ID. Oh, man. Yo, Kobe Kepler, I got your bitch on freeze. The topic of gossip and Sayasa. Shout out to the 11791. AK Grandpa Joker, when you see Charlie, you see me, and don't touch that golden ticket, so cut your ass. It's your man Dead IDs this morning, Sheriff. Mr. Shopping that street easy with bad breeds like I'm Yeezy. Please believe me. The black AZ addict will crack your back, pew pew, like an automatic craftmatic, Mr. La Marina, and a mesh marine, or with a fresh misdemeanor and the cold demeanor, the sheet mask killer. No one will be illa.
That's right.
Black like Morris, support Morris, the young KPI, Judge Personal Jesus, aka the Pele of Peloton, aka your problematic bae. Listen, bro. It's not a secret family if you're ignoring them because you're social distancing. You're responsible. It's true.
Mandated,
Loophole.
government mandated.
Loophole.
Government mandated.
Listen, you want me to be in these kids' lives, but I'll put them at risk, and I promise never to put my kids at risk. Sorry.
I will
Sorry.
never. I'd rather not have contact.
Listen, I've been locked in my apartment for 4 months. I can't come out and see the kids. And you know what? If you did see on IG Live that I was smoking hookah, perhaps that was Throwback Thursday? Oh, that was Wednesday? Oh, okay. Oh, shit.
It was from my archives. It was from my archives.
Yeah, that wasn't me. That was, you know what? It doesn't even matter now because Miro has to do his AK, so we don't have time to talk about this.
You tight, shut the fuck up. You tight, yo, go away. Mute her.
Kick her out the Zoom.
Kick her out. It's your boy, the Kid Mero, a.k.a. the Human Durag Flap, a.k.a. Donovan Mizab, a.k.a. Curve Gotti, a.k.a. Trees Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Skirt, load to jump the curve. You motherfucking dog, keep moving, ask me if I give a fuck. His leash was less than 6 feet long, yo. You know what I'm saying? He putting everybody at risk. You know what I'm saying?
Hate to see it.
You know what I'm saying? You hate to see it. You know what I'm saying? But yo, listen, Peter would agree. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. I know fucking baby, I fucking man. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. no need to check the guest list because
ain't no guest list, baby.
Ain't no guest list, baby.
Ain't no guest list because Corona's always home.
That's right, baby.
Ain't no guest list because Corona. Damn, no guest list.
You know what I'm saying? We dressing up to watch Rick Ross take his shirt off. You know what I'm saying? That's what we doing now.
When
you
you
know
describe it like that, it's extra sad.
Yeah.
It's extra sad. Damn.
You got dressed up to watch that man take his shirt off. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Sissy Dad Bath here. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Tiger Backwoods smoking 3 grand blunt and hit you with this 9-9, nigga. Pow, 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 pow. And you get into the shmoney and the smoke. It's your boy, Golden Schmack. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Mensch, Montana. Huh? I went from roaches to diz in my backyard. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. I got my kids a Costco 24-pack of Rona vaccines because I'm the motherfucking dad of the year. A.k.a. bitch like me, boy, you know what I'm saying? A.k.a. D.A. Maradona, a.k.a. Dick and Baby Tombo. You know, come on, this pussy no more. If this pussy belongs to me. Actually, it does not. I often sleep up and say that because of the patriarchy and the conditioning
that I've been subjected to. But I respect your agency, my queen, and we are turning a new leaf.
Respect that.
Men are trash. Men are trash. We must do better. You know what I'm saying? AKA Bottles Santana, so smooth. I fall asleep at the wheel and crash the zip car. And I don't even care. And I don't even wipe it down. Leave the blood on the dash. And do the 40-yard dash. AKA the Dominican Dundada, you know what I'm saying? AKA I swipe my card again. There's definitely money. Stop trying to play me. I will take my mask off and start spitting in this motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? Put all the Snickers in the bag and keep it moving. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get this Halloween candy early because I know Halloween is going to be a dub. So I'm going to just eat it myself. Stop playing with me.
Respect that. I respect
You know
it.
what I'm saying?
I respect it.
Okay, Romeo Santos. Tu favorito, mommy. Wow, let me black out. I don't give a fuck about social distancing, nigga. I'm still trying to eat Titi's butt. Right on Dykeman, nigga. Shit that was twerking on top of the car? I ate her butt 2 seconds later with Chelsea boots. I had my heels up like Ella Cool J letting my Tim's tap. You know what I'm saying? AKA Light and Dutchy. Hello, is it weed you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes that you're kinda coronized. So I'm smoking this blunt to the face. You know what I'm saying? So please stay 6 feet away and smoke over there, sir. Please, thank you, appreciate you. AKA Tom Brady, you know what I'm saying? Your girl got my balls more deflated than Bobby Crabs. You know what I'm saying? AKA Fields Ice Tyson, I'm gonna explode your cosmos, my butt. Consensually, of course. You know what I'm saying? AKA a little snoozy vert. First nigga to tap out on live. Bit social distancing before that Rona. Frying out Messi MVP of Gelato, AKA Zaniel Bedingfield. Now you gotta get some sticks. Now you gotta get some sticks.
Yeah.
Yeah, I need some sunlight. AKA Joe Hookah. I dare you to smoke with me
Say what?
at Mama Sushi. Just kidding, we on Stanway right now, ignoring all protocols.
You wildin'.
Yo,
Yeah, get some hookah in your butt. Yeah.
Go ahead, boo. Go ahead, boo.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? AKA, my Ben Boston. My hands are gifted. I'm the most fond neurosurgeon in the world. So twice, 2 episodes in a row, I have to explain to you that I am not Herman Cain. I'm still alive. I'm still here doing neurosurgery and, doing HUD things.
Rest in peace, Ben Carson.
Yes, you know what I'm saying? Wow, I'm alive. I'm alive. I'm speaking right now. Thank you.
999. We loved your 999 plan.
Wow, Candy, get the strap. Blow this motherfucker stop off. AKA, I'll blow over your minister cabinet. You know who it is, boy. It's the Zen Man. AKA Rico Sabros. AKA Baby Newport 245 niggas got garbage down the way. AKA Nino Brown. Shut the Carter down. For sanitizing just for 24 hours. We'll be back up serving crack in no time. AKA live harassing patrons eating al fresco. It's the East Tree on Stevie B doing all his greatest hits like I wanna be the one your TT is fucking and dope sick love. Don't let me leave. You know what I'm saying? AKA this fucking bloody bollocks, mate. Every week I have to explain there's only 2 rock stars left in the world, mate. The Bodega Boys. Shite, of which I am one. The plantain sleeping over in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Dreamer with a little hole that I made for the blood in my mask. It's kind of counterproductive. You know what I'm saying? AKA, I'm at my friend sister, I'm never gonna fail. AKA, getting those bubble buckets back at it. It's your boy, Barmello Anthony. 3. Bang! Max Kellerman, suck my whole dick. You know what I'm saying? If you see me at Target higher than a motherfucker, you know what I'm saying? The Fortnite ramp with a giraffe on top of it, stacking on top of Taco Fall. Stay 6 feet away from me because there's a little sticker on the floor that indicates that you are not 6 feet away from me. So don't make me react radically because you might not like that.
Because he will react, and you won't like that.
That's right. You know what I'm saying? AKA Tom Petty and the Ball Breakers. AKA, hey kids, whoa, it depends on the plan. I'm here for your kid's soon birthday party. I'm going to mute this window now and turn my video off for a second because Mr. Fun Fun's coming in.
What's good night, kids? Bro. Bro, it's like I found some wet ass pussy, right? So, but it's like cats.
Whoa. Yeah. Leave meeting. Where's the leave meeting?
Bro. I've turned over.
Command Q.
Bro, I've turned over a new leaf, bro. Listen.
Oh, okay.
That Mr. Fun stuff, it's not fun at all.
Oh.
It hurts people. It devastates communities.
Wow.
And it just breaks up families. And I'd like to take this time to apologize for my actions in the past.
All right.
And I just like to say if, like, you know, any kids want me to personally apologize to them, I have a van in the front, so if you want to come out.
Oh, okay, no. Do it for years. Let's get in the video. Let's go. Come on, let's go down there. Control Q. Hey, I saw Fake Lead to your favorite SoundCloud rapper. That motherfucker's high on fucking puddle water from the front of my crib. And the antifreeze that keeps leaking out the Honda Accord. You know what I'm saying? Yo. And now it is time for you to turn on your Spanish language application because
SAP.
it's time. Hassan, tírame la pista, coño. Oye, que lo que guau, llegó el hijo Titi FIFA, coño, más loco todo. Yo, no me de cotorra, loco. Deja tu vaina, mi loco, porque yo, tú andas haciendo muchos paquetes, loco, y esa vaina no me cae bien, mi loco. You know what I'm saying? Yo sí, de verdad que tengo el tumbacoco en el garaje, loco, de cocoto. Yo soy de rabia, loco, yo soy el problema. No te metes conmigo, mi hermano, que te meto 4. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Estate manso, mi loco. You know what I'm saying? Y como siempre, la pinta está dura. You know what I'm saying? Versace, Uchi, Hachi, todo lo que tengo es Hachi o Uchi. Ya tú sabes. You know what I'm saying? Llega a mi nivel, mamá huevo. Shout out a la casa Showtime. You know what I'm saying? Shout out a Cash App en español. El único programa que tú necesitas, la única aplicación para mandar dinero sobre el internet. Shout out a Hassan Hussein, coño, que pone la nota. Shout out, this is buena la nota jamaiquina. El nice, el bueno. You know what I'm saying? Shout out Víctor Mati, el papi de los lady, 24 de quilates de melena. You know what I'm saying? Shout out, pero shout out a las nenas de la bodega Dai, la insuperable la planta eléctrica. You know what I'm saying? Y Vicky, la más loca que está en la República Dominicana, sin máscara, coroneando por todos lados. You know what I'm saying? Shout out mi presidente Pío, activo con el cañón, avísame que lo suelto. Llegó mi hermano Friki y él está haciendo ejercicio en la calle. Mire, gente, ten claro que ese tigre es un criminal. Yo no sé, que descanse para mi hermanito Sexo y que descanse para Breonna Taylor. Arresten los asesinos de Breonna Taylor, por favor. Lo digo en español, mi hermano Dizos lo dice en inglés. Para si no le llegaste. Episodio 214. Me quité ya.
That's right. Arrest the cops that killed Breonna Taylor. Be sure to go to bodegahive.com. There's still tickets available for the virtual tour. Check out Showtime Jesus Romero. Still coming to you on Sundays and Thursdays because we're not cowards and we didn't quit the game because we didn't win an Emmy. Even though we seriously talked about it, we was like, fuck this, we don't need this. The price of bricks is dropping. We can get back in the game, bro. You know what I'm saying?
Stop
Keep playing around.
Keep playing around. We leave.
All right? Think about it. You think we're trying to end up
right now?
You think we're trying to end up like Artie DiGiorno?
Artie DiGiorno? No, hell no.
Huh? You think we're trying to stay in our apartments fixing VCRs? Nah. Okay? It ain't delivery.
It's DiGiorno.
All right? We out.
2020, motherfucker.